Y'all ready? Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Good to see you all today. Y'all ready to go? No excuses. I don't want to hear about no sleep stops getting activated here moving forward this week, gang. What up, though? How y'all doing? Everybody had a good weekend? It's good to be back. Good to be back on the desk for another week. Yes, new opportunities for growth. Let's go. W's in the chat. Let's spam the chat with some W's. Get the vibes right early this morning. Get the vibes right early this week, because it's going to be a good one, man. It's going to be a real good week. We're ending off the month here this week as well. So going to be moving into a new month here. Awesome. I was waiting for you to go full margin. Hey, Jerome Powell, you just give me the word and we'll be there, man. We'll be there. All right. Let me just send Zoom out, and then we are gonna get going here. I think we're good. What up, Z Gamers in the house? What up, Z Gamer? What up, Big Folk Red? LeGrand, got a trade is here. Citibank is here. What up, Luke? What up, Pete the G? What up, Tom? What's good, everybody? What up, Xander? What up, Connor FX? Dennis Hood's in the building. Got a trades here. What's good? Got a trade. How you doing? Yes, sir. All right, cool. I think Zoom is sent out, and I think we are golden here. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, everybody coming in on Zoom. All right, let's get the day started here. Let me just do this one last thing. Perfect. All right, gang. Y'all ready? Let's go. You guys awake? You guys alive? You guys ready to go? It's Monday. You should be excited. You should be ready. It is a new week here, gang. Let's talk about it. It is the 30th of October. Happy birthday to my brother Joe. Joe Stewart's big birthday here today. And it is Monday, and we're getting started with a new week, gang. So it is Monday. It is a new week. It's new opportunities to come to charts, gang, to be disciplined, to be professionals, and to do what we do best, right? Wait for what we know works best in the markets, and capitalize when those opportunities present themselves. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at what we got going on in the news here. And doesn't look like we've got much happening for the US dollar here today at all. So no news here in the headlines for the dollar. Let's go ahead. Let me just take a look at gold. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have ahead of us this week. Yeah, Joe Stewart's birthday. So, okay. So Monday here is October 30th. Nothing here for us today. Tomorrow is Tuesday, which is the 31st. Let me lower this a little bit. There we go. Should be good. Which is the 31st of October. So that's going to be the last day of the month here. Looking in the news, we've got some 8:30 news here tomorrow on the CAD. Also some 8:30 here as well on the US dollar. Employee cost index for the quarter. Then you got orange folders moving all throughout the session. And then some red folders here later on around 10 a.m. So that's going to be tomorrow. Wednesday begins a new month. So Wednesday we've got ADP non-farm payroll. That's going to be at 8:15. That's really all we have until the 4-hour closure. And then coming in at 10, you got ISM, PMI, JOLTS job openings, and all this good stuff here moving throughout the session here, man. So yeah, a lot of red folders here in the afternoon. Yeah, it should be good. The first. So we're going to kick off the month with some heavy news. Heavy news coming in. So that's going to be on Wednesday. Thursday, we've got a lot of news here on the pound. It looks like they're going to be doing some sort of bank rates here, monetary policy as well. And then we also have unemployment claims for the US dollar, prelims as well. And yeah, man, just like more and more news throughout the session. So should be a good week. Should be a lot of volume here this week. And then Friday, obviously, we have NFP. So NFP on Friday. So going to be a crazy week. Should be a lot of volume. Could be little tricky. So we're gonna make sure we're on our P's and Q's and make sure we're doing what we need to do to stay afloat here in the markets. All right. Cool. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Awesome. So let's go ahead. Let's dive into the chart. So we do have a full week of news here, right, outside of today. So we'll see what we could take advantage of here today. Other than that, we've got the months kind of blending together with the news, and it should be a wild one. So we'll stick here for today, and tomorrow we will move on to tomorrow. So let's go ahead and open up the charts here. Take a look at what we got going on gold and pound yen. We'll look at the NASDAQ as well, and then we'll chill out. So let's take a look at gold here as we open up on this lovely Monday. You guys ready for a breakdown? You guys, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here. I would appreciate that. Let's give the stream a like myself. There we go. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's take a look at gold here and see what we got going on basically on this monthly time frame, and we'll track back and move down from here. So looking at the monthly time frame, we're in a pretty interesting area here, right? We're in this all-time high rejection level. Price had reject this area quite a few times, right, in the past. And now, if you can notice, we're moving back up. So we're moving back up into the box here. We're going to see whether or not price is going to actually close above, right? We have 1 day, 10 hours left of this monthly candle. And I think if this monthly candle ends up closing above all this resistance, then we should see continued move up here to potentially break these all-time highs, right? We've developed the high here at a certain point, and that is the high on gold, all-time high. Now these last two attempts both failed to actually close above this level. Will we see this candle, will we see the juice box here move up, or at least close above, and that way next month can continue driving? So we're up in the skies here, gang. We're up in the skies. So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Again, 1 day left, 1 day, 10 hours. So 2 sessions for us, and we'll have a closure on this monthly candle. So, you know, pretty obvious, right? Gold came up. Well, gold came down, closed with no bottom wick. Price moved up, engulfed everything here. There's really not much else to talk about on this higher time frame outside of a potential fake out or something, you know, leading into next month. But as of right now, absolute juice box here on the monthly time frame. So let's go ahead and take a look, break this down, see what the weekly's talking about here. So weekly time frame, again, you had this nice steady move down for quite a bit of time, right? And then boom, engulfing candle, next candle just juiced up as well. We closed above this level here, therefore we should tap into this resistance, right? That's definitely on the horizon. That's definitely a target here. 2017, that's been our target all last week as well, and we'll see if we can get up there this week, right? Right now we're just moving bearish, potentially creating a bottom wick for price to move on up and then come into this wick area up here that we were just discussing a little while ago. So we'll see, right? We'll see if this can be the bottom wick here, and then we start, you know, pushing our way up here this week. So that we're gonna have to wait, right? There's four days left, so the weekly candle just got started here. Let's take a look at the daily, see what we got going on here, because if we want to base positions off today and what we're going to do today, it's all going to come down to this daily time frame here. So daily time frame, if we notice, it did create some sort of support right here last week, and price has been moving up now, right? Price has been moving up. There's a nice clean range up into this area here, which is what, 2018. So same target as last week. We did close above. We did juice up last on Friday. Really nice, gang. Actually, when my sleep stops got activated, that's when the whole move happened. So how many of you guys caught those buys there on gold late Friday? Anybody catch those? Those were nice, but you had that clean move up, right? You had that clean move up. So now we're more than halfway up the range here, right? But there's still a nice 120, 130 pip move for gold to continue driving. And if we can anticipate buys from below down here while this bearish candle still, while this current candle is still bearish, then there may be even more range for us to go. So let's go ahead, take a look at the 4 hour. Pretty bullish on the day here. Let's go ahead. We need a support formed on the 4 hour, right? So nice. So you have this push down here, right? We're coming into this zone here. There may or may not be a support developed, right? If there is a support, then there's a high chance that will begin the move up here today, right? So if you actually close support on the 4 hour time frame, there's a very high chance the next candles will continue moving up today, and we can tap into, you know, this 2017 2018 area in which we're looking to target here today. So that's a possibility, right? But if the 4 hour continues moving bearish, right, looking something like this and actually closing below the range here, then there's a high chance that price will continue driving down to retest these supports. So there's two options for us here today, buy or sell. Very simple. Let's go ahead, take a look at the 1 hour and see what we got going on. So perfect. So look, 1 hour has created a range. So excuse me, you got support formed, you have resistance formed, right? We're going to get some more information on the 30-minute time frame, so we can see this range a little bit cleaner, right? So this is your range. This is the range currently on the 30-minute time frame. It's very, very simple here on this lovely Monday. There's a resistance up top here at 2002. That is about a 52 pip range. There's also very, very clean candles coming down here. There's a support down here at 1979. I don't know if we'll get all the way down there today. Let's try and find the average point right here, right, where price would most likely wick down into, and I would say that would probably be right around these levels here, right? If you can get some sort of a closure below, or a closure below here, I think that price can move down, wick into these areas here, and we can find a nice trade in this range here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for here on gold today. Obviously, we're going to be looking to retest these highs here at 2008, which are the 4 hour highs, right? Somewhere up in this zone. So that's what the plan is. But you know, I think initially our trade is most likely going to be to 2001 here. So let's look to target this area up here at 2002, and then we'll look to, you know, obviously take some partials coming up here, and then same thing down here. So that's going to be what I'll be looking for here on gold today. Is pretty simple, right? You've got yourself a range at this point. 15-minute, may have to adjust that a little bit. That's your range on the 15-minute time frame, and then once you get closures either above or below, things look pretty clean to continue going, right? We don't need a range 2. We've already gotten the second range here. A closure below should indicate a push down here. We also don't need a range 2 for buys because we are bullish on the day. And if we do get closures above, we can anticipate the 4 hour breaking its own high, closing bullish, and then the next 4 hour continuing to drive up. So that's it. That's the day here, gang. So gonna hang tight here. It's gonna be a no trade range for me, but I will look for buys above 1996 here today. So buys above here, and then sells are pretty clean below 1992. So clean sells below 92, and targets are gonna be right around 1986, and then right around 2005. And that's it. That's the day. Simple. Keep it simple. Stay away from this range here. I believe that may be like a 40 pip range. So yeah, let me just measure this range here. Yeah, about a 42 pip range here. So that's fine. Most likely going to stay away from that range here today, unless we get some sort of support formed, fake outs or something within this range. Then I'm probably just going to stay away. Definitely going to stay away on sells until we get a closure below 92. And yeah, that'll do it. So for as of right now, which is 7:10, this is going to be a no trade range here. So I'm not going to take anything in this range here. Again, possible buys if we can get supports formed to move back up. But other than that, anything above 96,858 here is going to be pretty clean range for us today to move up here on these buys. And then anything below 92 here is pretty clean in terms of taking sells here today. So let's let gold do its thing, see if it wants to run here today. But that is the analysis here on Monday, the 30th of October. We're going to stick with this. We're going to stay professional. This is what makes sense to me. If it makes sense to you, great, mark them up. If it doesn't, if something else makes more sense and this doesn't make sense, please, by all means, follow your own analysis, gang. So this is what makes sense to me today. This is what I'm going to stick to, and that is going to be gold. Should be a simple day. Cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen here as well and see what the deal is. Actually haven't looked at the charts here since Friday. Very briefly yesterday, but really didn't get a good look at it. So let's go ahead and take a look at GJ as well, because this monthly candle is insane, right? So we had this monthly candle push all the way down with some news that we got on the pound, and we're closing here finally in a day. So one thing we know is that GJ did close below this level here, right? We closed below that support. This candle had a nice drive down, and now the new candle is going to open up. So maybe, just maybe, we can continue down here, break out of some sort of weekly consolidation, and you've got clean candles, right? I would love to see pound yen move down so we can form some ranges here, right? And make it easier to trade. And by the way, with ACAP, I think I've come to the conclusion that it's either do not trade pound yen or market execute every trade with 0 stop loss. Right? Just manually trade pound yen. So that may be an option here for me pretty soon. But that's what the monthly time frame is showing us here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly, because we know that this monthly candle has been flipping bullish, bearish, can't really move. Right? It made the original move, and then for the last couple week or two, it's just been, flip-flopping here. So what that gives us on the weekly is a consolidation range, right? Now, one thing on the weekly, which is huge, is that we actually did close below, right? So what we did was close below, and we've now done something that none of these candles here have been able to do, right? Which is actually get a closure below the range. So now that we are closing below, that indicates that this candle here should have volume in it to continue driving down to now potentially fill this wick, right? So that's a very high possibility here this week. We did get that weekly closure we were looking for. The only thing going on right now is the close of the monthly. So we got to pay attention to that, make sure we know what's going on there. But, daily did close bearish as well. So if this daily candle is closing bearish, right, you've got a clean range now, right? Again, the daily candle also has done something, right, that no other candle has been able to do, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 attempts. 9 attempts to close below this level here. You finally got it here, right? So if we're finally getting that closure, then that should indicate volume coming in. Now, I don't really like the way this candle opened up and broke the lows right away, but we'll see what happens, right? Because what do we know about volume? That when you get candles closing outside of a strong consolidation range, that will also indicate volume coming in as well. So we'll see if we get that volume here on this daily candle for pound yen. But we are bearish, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is moving up. We came down really nicely. We're moving on up here. We're looking for a resistance, right? So we're looking for some sort of resistance to be formed. Let's go ahead and mark this level off here. I think if we can close below, then you have a nice clean push coming back down to retest support here, about 55 pips away. So let's see what that looks like on the 30-minute. 30-minute, you have a pretty strong support. You're also generating this range here. And this may be a range 2, right? So we may get a range 2 breakout here, but we need to close above. If not, then we'll wait for our closures below 81 and see if we could drive this thing down here today. So yeah, that's the day here on pound yen. Not much clean moves to the upside. There's a lot of resistance, but overall, if this daily candle wants to actually break the lows and close as a support back within the range, then there would be that would generate our idea, right, for price to continue moving back up. So we'll see. We're price is working on a range 2 breakout right now. We'll see what happens in 14 minutes. But yeah, that's gonna be the day here on pound yen. So just gotta wait here. Just gotta wait. 4 hours rejecting. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I'll be looking for sells if we can come back below here, and then buys. Again, you've got your range 2 on both pairs here today. So we'll see what happens about these closures. We good. That's it. Let's go, Engineer 14. Good stuff. What up, Tony GT? Super simple day. Yes, sir. What up, Louis G? Super simple day. What up, Landon? Super simple day if we make it that way, right? A lot of traders will now complicate throughout the session, but not us here today, gang. Not us. Did I dream of candles on Friday? Yeah, I think so. I think I did. Did you guys have fun on the live stream, on the triple threat 3-peat live stream? I was trying to get a hat trick, but GJ wasn't having that. How was my weekend? Good morning, Dominic. Weekend was awesome. Weekend was really, really good. What up, Classic Trader? Good to see you here today. Happy Monday, my man. How was your sleep after that long session? It was good. It was good. I actually just caught a nap. Slept for maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then me and the wife and the little ones went down to some sort of carnival that they were doing down here. Yeah, we cracked a big 100th win. We also cracked 101, if you guys see that up there. So we cracked win 100 and win 101 there on the live stream. AB Mike. What up, Rob Trades? What up, Sergio? What up, the Groom Smith? What's good, Henry? George VDM in the house. Yo, we had some fun on the stream, right, George? We had some fun, man. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of great conversation too. If you guys missed those streams, I know they're long. They're like 7 hours each live stream, I think. But man, they're worth the replay. We got very vulnerable, right? We became very transparent, and we just talked, right? We talked about a lot of good things, and I think overall it was pretty awesome. It was pretty awesome. We also raised some money. I have to count up everything we raised here, but we're gonna be donating that to some unfortunate children, some homeless people here in Tampa. So W's on that. I know we didn't push it or promote it too much, but W on everyone that made that investment into righteousness, that investment into eternity there on Thursday night and Friday. YOLO traders in the house. What up, YOLO? Yeah, there was some poker going. There was a bunch of stuff going there. we were all of a sudden we be seeing people talking, and then they're just gone, like Sam. They'll pop back up 3-4 hours later. Yo, sleep stops got activated right into profit, and they woke back up feeling good. That guy TK's in the house, but not TK. Hey, TK stayed up with me the whole time. Shout out to TK, man. TK, Sam, who else stayed up the entire time? Don't lie. John's sleep stop got activated. Johnny boy was gone. He was gone, man. Yeah, man, that little pause. So and my Wi-Fi went down, right? They was trying to stop the shine, man. They were trying to stop us there for a little bit. But yeah, Wi-Fi went down real quick. Had about a 25-minute pause, and we lost Johnny Boy in the mix. Green was Green was heavy drawdown. 6 hours of drawdown. What up, Green? Good morning, bro. TK ditched for a while. Ooh, did he? I don't know. I thought TK was up the whole time. I may be wrong. I don't know, TK. By the looks of his video, I think he was up the whole time. It doesn't look like he had any. Hey, don't take this the wrong way, TK, but it looked like you were tired, bro. That looked like you were streaming for 16, 17 hours. That's what a committed man looks like. He put it all on the line. Rob Trades got hit with the pause too, man. Damn. Yeah. Got slippery. I'll be honest, man. It was like it was starting to get quiet there. Like, you know, you guys ever been to like a professional sports game and the game's just kind of going, you know, and it's like, ooh, you know, 10 hours in, but then all of a sudden, man, we hit that 3 at 6 a.m. banger, right? Boom, that woke me back up, and I was basically on a trade high for the remainder of the day. Yeah. It was like a World Series game, right? Your team is down by like 2 runs and game's getting boring, right? It's been like 3-1 since like the 2nd inning, and then bottom of the 8th, you got runners on base. Boom, 3-run homer. Not only do you tie the game, but you go up 1. That brings a whole new energy, right? Whole new energy to the stadium. So that's kind of how it felt. That's kind of how it felt. All right, Goldie. Let's see what we can do here. So 30-minute candle opened up with no top wick, right? So what do we know about candles that open up and they move down with no top wick? Bearish candles, right? There's a very high probability that'll come up to make a top wick. So let's see if we can actually make that top wick, get a closure above 96 here, NY open-ish, and see if we can capitalize on this move up here that gold may want to do. Hey, morning, Nick. Show me the money. What up, brother? I have a question. Was that celery on 30-minute 6 a.m.? Took a sell there. Would I have something you taken at 6 a.m.? Let's take a look here. 30-minute. So resistance formed. Yes. So that's not a bad trade here. I think you got your range too. You got your resistance. So 6 a.m. does bring in some volume here. So yeah, not a bad trade. It's not really a celery though. It's more so an onion play. So onion at 6, and then or resistance formed at 6, and then that moved down. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. I probably wouldn't have taken it just because we're pretty bullish here today. But it makes sense, right? It makes sense according to price action. I think I'll be waiting for a closure below 92 before it sells here today, but not bad. I always talk about if you get a range too, right, where you have your support and your resistance, and that candle forms resistance, and now the next candle is a volume time. I do like taking the position before you get the breakout, right? Because you can catch something here on this move. It may not be the real move, right? Like you would get if you got an actual closure, but you are good to scalp something there. So yeah, it depends on when volume's coming in, but that wasn't a bad move. 6 a.m. there is a lot of volume coming in at this point in Q4, so not a bad idea. Resistance formed, you know, take it down, retest support. Looks like we tapped into it, and yeah, good trade. Good stuff. Show me the money. Yeah, because remember what we talked about yesterday, right? That once gold creates a support and then creates a resistance, gold is famous for this, gang, to now retest the support. It does it all the time. It's just one of the ways that gold really likes to move, right? Comes down, creates support, comes up, forms resistance, and then always 85% of the time will retap that support. And that's what it did here. We never said it has to continue driving, right? Just has to tap into it. And that would have been where I took partials on a move like this here. Yeah, not a bad move. Great idea. Hey, good morning. Took a buy around 1 a.m. when it formed support on 30 at 2002. Was it valid? So, yes. Looking at the 30-minute, yes, it could be valid for sure, right? Buys moving up, right? Just like you got support right here. You didn't really get what you were looking for on the 1 hour though. So. Yes, it was valid on the 30-minute though. Yeah, I think the 1 hour is just too heavy, right? Coming down too heavy there. So that was the problem. Just wanted to continue driving there to pretty much make a steeper bottom wick. Yeah, I think the 4 hour is probably going against you at that point. So that probably would have, being that it looked like the 4 hour and the 1 hour are both very very bearish, AJ. So that 30-minute was decent, but I don't know if that was a strong enough support level there, being that everything else on the higher time frames was very bearish going against you. So if something looks like that, where the 1 hour, the 4 hour are very bearish, and I'm thinking about taking this off the 30-minute, a lot of times what I will do is I will just wait for the 1 hour close, just to see if we can get that extra confirmation, right? Because if the 4 hour is still bearish, you know, I'd like to see the 1 hour at least close bullish as well. So yeah, I probably would have waited there for the 1 hour when those higher time frames are very, very strong against me. But not a bad idea either, right? Just generating ideas. It's okay to take these trades and, you know, learn from them. There's nothing wrong with taking losses in trading, gang. Just every trader takes losses. This weekend I listened to a guy who was working on Wall Street for 40 years. 40 years, man. And then went off and did a bunch more stuff in the industry. But it is a-okay to learn, take these positions, you know, have these little, you know, epiphanies and mess ups and learn from them, right? That's how we literally learn. So yeah, good job here, man. Way to act on the 30-minute. I just think, you know, next time when the 1 and the 4 are that bearish, just maybe wait for the 1 hour. What up, Sam Capital? Sammy boy. Oi! Oi! Time frames are you using to determine open positions? 30-minute time frame. Stay strapped. Am I gonna start streaming earlier every day now? Nah. Probably same time. Maybe we'll stick around a little later, but took an onion play this morning, secured 22 pips. Oh, nice. Put it on my story. I tagged you. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that. Beautiful. All right, so look, we have a 30-minute support form here, but look, you want to know why I'm not going to take this 30 minutes, this buy here just yet, where I think it could work out, but I'm not going to take it because the 1 hour is still pretty bearish, and so is the 4 hour. So if we can get an actual 1 hour closure, as support. So this goes right into what we talked about up here, right? If we can get a 1 hour support, then this is gonna make much more sense for price to continue up during high volume at you know, NY Open here. So I'm just gonna wait here for another 30-minute closure and see if we can get this 1 hour now to close bullish. So that can indicate that this daily wick may now be formed, right? And the 4 hour may be ready to move up as long as the 1 hour gets a support. 30-minute has a nice support as well. And then obviously GJ will be, 15-minute will also be moving bullish at that point. So this is what I love to see, this nice exhaustion wick here on the supports. So let's see if we get it. Another 24-hour stream. We'll do another one at 50K. 50K. We're almost halfway there, actually. I'll be on Zoom. My stomach is cracking. I don't know what I ate. What'd you eat? What'd you eat, Sammy boy? Too much dolphin milk. Stomach's quacking. It's quacking. Did I catch any moves on the after the stream on Friday? No, the only thing I caught after the stream on Friday was a nap. That was the only thing I caught. I didn't know where to enter. Can we go through that move? Yeah, I was talking to somebody else and they were just saying that gold never let them in. That was over here. Yeah, I mean, maybe, I guess the only place right here would have been buys right here, right after support was formed and close 80%, right? I mean, I probably would have closed 80% right here. Same play as always and just let the rest of it ride. So it's very hard to say, you know, oh, we could have caught that whole move, right? In hindsight, right? Yeah, of course. Hey, I held you know, your IG guru will tell you they caught, you know, 270 pips there. Light work, right? But what I'm here telling you is that, yeah, I probably would have caught it from there, closed 80% at, you know, right at this level here, and then just let the 20% ride. Probably would have closed another half right here, and then just had a very small position moving up. But that's probably the only place, right? Unless you just... yeah, probably, yeah. I think that might be the only spot. Only spot for a potential entry. Gave you a closure, support, bottom wick, break of the highs. Other than that, price kind of gave you no wick here. So I probably wouldn't have took a position on this candle. You had no bottom wick here. So that's very debatable of whether or not I would have taken that. I don't think so. Here closed right at resistance, so I wouldn't have taken a position there. So yeah, I mean, I think the only spot would have been probably down here, and you know, 80% of my position would have been closed up somewhere in this area. Oh yeah, GJ closed above here, giving us very little to no bottom wick. Yeah, no bottom wick on the previous 30. Yeah, that's fine. No worries. Mm, 15 looked pretty good. 15 looked a little bit better here. Yeah, that's fine. Not too worried. It's black off. Good morning, She Unique. What's going on? Oh, thank you. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Blessed and profitable day. That move came from breaking news. Oh, yes, that's right. Didn't the U.S. fire some sort of attack? Something like that happened. Yeah, I did read that. That's right. Can you please do NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. There we go. All right, cool. So let's break down NAS 100 as well. This is probably going to be a trade pair gang that we're going to start trading next year, 2024. So we got a few more months to watch this pair and study this pair. And it's been a few months now that we've been tracking it. So yeah, I think I'm feeling pretty good about 2024 and, you know, adding this pair to the watch list here. So let's take a look at the NASDAQ, right? So weekly time frame did close bearish. We did close bearish below all this level of support finally, right? Last candle closed right at it with no bottom wick. So we are pretty bearish based off of this week, and it looks like price can very, very easily move down here, right? Clean traffic coming down to about 13,250 here. So that's what we're looking at here on the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily as well. So daily did close bullish, right? So it looks like we're moving up. This daily candle has no bottom wick just yet. So yeah, you may see some sort of a push up because we need a top wick, right? So we need a top wick on this weekly candle. That should move the daily up a bit. We have no bottom wick just yet. So let's see what happens, because one thing I noticed is if we look left, right, we look at these support levels here, you kind of have somewhat of a celery formation happening, but we'll see, right? I wouldn't be surprised if price did move up to give the weekly a top wick there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour here. So 4 hour is you know, just consolidating right now. You've got a resistance here, and then above that resistance is pretty clean traffic, right? You've got a wick fill, you know, these wick fills here. You also have a resistance. This is like what, 90 or no, 20 points away. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I think we need to move this up here. So yeah, I think if we can get a closure above 14309 here, then we'll have some pretty decent buys moving up. But yeah, we'll see if that happens. But we also, I think if we get some sort of a sell or closure below here, then we can take our sells moving on down. So that's pretty much it. Not too difficult here on the NASDAQ. I'll probably stay away from that range right there. Very, very choppy. Wouldn't want to take any trades there, right? So that's going to be a no trade range. And then, you know, anything sells below here is good. Buys above here looks pretty clean. So that'll be NASDAQ. We'll keep peeking in on this as the session goes on here. Gold moving down now. Gold moving down. Good morning, Jeanette. What's good? Good to see you. Free us from financials. Financials freedom. Oh yeah, Israel airstrike. That's right. I'm from Pakistan, but Nick is from... Oh yeah, I'm in Florida, yeah. Good morning, Pablo. Pablo's in Dominican Republic, though. Johnny boy, how you doing, buddy? Johnny boy's in the chat. Good morning, John. Good morning, John Stewart. We'll meet you one day and invite you into Pakistan and show you great hospitality with Sam Capital. Let's go, Usman. Let's get it. I'm coming. I'm coming to Pakistan. Anything is possible. Yeah, nice move here. So you got your support. Gave you no bottom wick though. Very little to no bottom wick there. Okay, pound yen. Okay. Green, how we feeling, Green? How was Halloween? Green had the #1 costume there this weekend. Honestly, no one else's costume made me react like Green's did. I buy from here. Oh, nice. Greetings from Melbourne. Oh, greetings, my friend. It's getting late over there for you, huh? Did we mark up ranges on GJ? Yeah, we did. So this was our range too. Yeah, so price is moving up here pretty nicely now. So we wanted to wait for a second range here, and it looks like we got it, right? But we got very little to no bottom wick there, so didn't take the trade. Didn't look bad on the 15. Not at all. You had some sort of a 15 celery play going on, but yeah. Nice 20 pip juice box there on pound yen. Purchase 1 month of signals, wanna not active. Can you renew it? Yeah, you can renew it. Yeah. Yeah, there's a renewed link there in the description. So you could drop that down and renew it there if you like. What up, options? Well, it's good. Oh, going to New York, Pablo? Nice. Bring your jacket and your hoodies. What up, Yanosh? Yanosh is in the house. Yanosh is in the building. Is there any group where we trade together? Close below, can tap the target. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, if gold closes below here, you may want to drive down. So if you get some sort of a closure below the range, right, looking like this, and nothing really goes down until this closure, right? So if you actually get the closure here at NY open, then you should see a move down. Right, you should see a move down here, but we'll see what happens. Strong support there. Wouldn't that have been a range 2 breakout? Which one? Gold or pound yen? Pound yen was a range 2 breakout, yeah. This was a range 2, and then gold, not yet. I seen somebody asked if I could share the podcast. Yes, I'll share. I forgot to respond to you. Yeah, I just got to go back in my history and get it. But yeah, I got you. Crazy looking Italian dude too. What does range 2 mean? Range 2 means break and a retest. So anytime that, so if you notice the daily candle here is bearish, right? So previous daily candle is bearish. So we're expecting price to potentially move down here. So we're still open to taking buys. The only thing is we like to see a range 2 before we take those buys. So normally on a, let's say the day was bullish and you get this breakout here, we would take our buys right off the breakout. But being that we're going against the daily, we want to see a break and a retest of that zone that it left, right? So as you can see, your buys most likely would have failed here. So we wait for that support to be formed, and then, you know, some sort of closure above resistance, and then now we can get the green light to take the buys. So worked out very lovely here, just no bottom wick on this one candle. If we had a bottom wick, that may have been you know, a nice move there for us. But if you don't wait for bottom wicks, then this is a good position for you. But even if we didn't wait for a bottom wick here, I don't know, right? Where would our stops be? You know, maybe below support. But yeah, no, great move there. So it just goes to show you that break and retest when you're going against the daily. It's worth it, right, to wait. It's worth it to wait that out, wait for that support, and then wait, and then, you know, take your opportunities of price moving up. Gold trying to do something here on the 1 hour. Got 12 minutes left. Congrats on 20K subs. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. 24-hour live stream. Yeah, it was good, man. It was good. It was a good stream. I stayed up like 30-something hours straight, so I was a bit tired as we creeped into the end of the day there. I was looking like TK from that video. I was woozy. Yo, we were woozy. Woozy. Happy to support another Florida guy. Hey. Another Florida guy. Another Florida man. Where are you from? Where do you live in Florida? What up, Tyler? What's goody? What up, Wazza? 48. Oh man, 48 at 50K. Yeah, I'll have to order a full case of excess for that one. Travis in the building. Travis stayed up all night with us too. Shout out to Trav. Trav stayed up the whole time. Some say John is still sleeping. Oh, that's right. We had the time change, right? Did we do the time change? I don't think we did it in the US yet. No, I don't think we did it. We didn't do it yet. Ours is November 5th. We're going to switch the time. November 5 November. What up, Sandman? It's good hero of the day. Storm players in the house. What up, Storm player? Yo, 48-hour live stream? Sheesh. That'd be nuts. Imagine every day we do 4 hours, right? Like three to 4 hours. To do 48 hours? Oh man. Oh man. I would have to go to sleep at some point on that one. Will you start trading your personal account this week? Yeah, as long as the transaction is ready on the crypto is good, then yeah. Once the crypto gets in, then I'll be trading that one. Do you mark resistance points by wicks, or I mark them by closures, because I want to see where the actual candle closed, right? Where it wick to is one thing, but where it closed is really the most important piece. Red Bull. Oh, Sam Capital's here. Sammy boy. Oi. Samson,
what's going on, Nick?
How you feeling, brother?
Yo, we got another beautiful week here.
We do.
So I'm ready, baby. I'm ready to tear it up. I'm ready to do what we love to do. Do what we do best.
Yes, sir. Me too. Me too.
Yes, sir. How is everyone in the chat feeling? What up? What up? Louis G.
I think they're feeling blessed and highly favored today.
Slimane, YOLO, Henry, Rob Trades, Foster Logan. What up, everybody? What up? Oh yeah, look at that, bro. Oh yeah.
Always in the chat.
Y'all know how we do it.
Yeah, no, I created a new crypto account on Kraken. Have you ever used that one, Sam?
No, but I've heard of it.
Yeah, I was using Coinbase for a bit, but I just started using Kraken.
You like them better?
They seem to be pretty good.
I've heard good things about them. Yeah, I've heard good things.
They take a few days to approve the crypto, but
yeah, that always sucks. I hate waiting. That was like stupid. It's like, what are we waiting for, bro? Send it through.
Send it. Send it. Like gold on Friday, bro. Send it.
Yo, true. Send her.
Yo, when we broke that 5 high though, that thing was gone.
Which one, on the second one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the second one was a juice.
Man, we did get some decent moves, but I was expecting bigger moves, man. Bigger.
Yeah. What did I Yeah, I think I got like 34 on that first trade. That first trade for me was nice.
Yeah.
Cause I held.
Yeah,
my,
that's true. That's
full
true.
For like 34. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, but Friday was amazing, bro. Friday felt different. That was like the first time that I don't know. Like I actually sat there in front of the charts for like the entire every session, and like was actually, you know what I mean, like kind of watching it.
We literally ranged all Asian, all London. I thought Friday we were gonna fly on that daily closure, and we did. But man, we ranged all through Asian, all through London. It was nuts. That breakout didn't happen till 6 a.m.
Oh yeah, when it came back. Yeah, when it closed below and started mounting. Yeah, and then it started flying.
This was it right here. This was Asian and London. This was the bulk of our 24-hour live stream here. And then this closure, and then we took that move down.
Crazy. Yeah, I remember we were like, yeah, as soon as this thing closes on whatever way it closes outside of, it's been going like this for 7 or 8 hours. I was like, I'm taking it, bro. Range 1, range 2, I don't give a shit.
I was like, I don't give a rat's ass. Yo, we're taking this position right now.
That's us. It's like, bro, it's been ranging here all day. Whatever way it closes outside of, that's the way it's going.
Yo, I don't think you guys wanted me to call out another position at 9:30, man. I don't know. I don't think that would have been a smart financial decision on your end. It would have worked.
We waited,
but
but I don't even think there was a setup. Well, we ended the stream like 10.
Yeah, we ended the stream around 10, I believe. Epic stream. Yeah, Friday was different. Man, it was about to get different too in the London. We were about to be like, yo, whatever stays in London here, whatever happens in London stays in London here tonight, gang. For those who weren't there,
if you know, you know.
Don't worry.
What we do in London stays in London. So we won't come to London that much. So when we come, we keep it top secret.
Everything top secret in London. Alright.
Yeah, I love that stream though on Friday.
Yeah,
like if you guys get a chance to like put something on and you want to listen to it or something.
Yeah.
I mean, that'd be a good stream to go through, but like, man, it's a lot. But
yeah,
that's why you gotta be there. That's why you gotta be there. But I mean, I could understand if someone can't be there for the whole thing.
Yeah. Nah, no excuses. This is the time to eat channel. You gotta stay up for 48 hours straight. How bad do you want it?
If you're not in front of the if you're not in front of the chart,
if you're not glued to the charts for all 3 sessions, you're a loser. Just kidding. So let's
Some player has not forgotten.
So we got a 1 hour closure coming up here, gang. So 8 a.m. 1 hour closure coming up. Looks like we are getting a support, which is pretty good. We do have a pretty strong resistance. Let's see how far this is. It's about a 15 pip move up, right? 15, 20 pip move up. So, you know, we'll see. I think we might need to wait for a 15 close above, and then we can maybe take positions here at 8:15. I think that'll work out a lot better for us, being that we're capped here, right? About 15, 16 pips to the nearest resistance. Volume should drive us through that, but we don't want to just sit in a range, right? So I think we should wait for the 15 to close above, and then we'll go ahead and look to execute buys moving up there.
Soybean.
Yeah, I think that'll work well. Yeah, 1 minute for the candle to close here. And GJ, oh, rejection to that area, right? Rejection to the resistance. Wow, nice push down here too. So 30-minute close coming up, 1 hour close is coming up. We'll see how all that plays out. But very, very strong rejection there to 181.800. Let's see Goldie. Yeah, we're still in the range as of right now, so just gonna wait. Maybe 8:15 might be the play. I don't think we have any news here at all, right? Nothing. No news here for us. Nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, so let's see if it does what we usually see with the no news day. Oh, no top wick. What is that? You guys hear that? That starts firing off like red flags in me and Nick's brain. We start going, oi.
Once I see that, I don't have to think anymore. Boom, no trade.
It just starts firing off signals.
Yeah, you see, Raja took this position I noticed last night with no bottom wick there. So, very interesting.
I seen him this morning when I got up. I seen him. He was like talking about it. He's like, I took this one because I didn't end up paying attention then.
Yeah, I didn't hear what he said, I don't think, but I did see that he took a position. I think it was right here. sells right here on this candle. So I think he knew pre-London, yeah, 2 a.m. So he probably was banking on volume there. But I'm not gonna bank on volume here. I'm just gonna wait for a 15 close above. Raja's just different.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think
like the only way I see you could get in there is like if you wait for that first 15 to close.
Yeah, I think he's just banking on volume and understanding it's 50-50, and he's willing to live with the consequences. So another thing you can do too is he may have lowered his risk, right? So sometimes if there's a really high volume, right, we know price is moving up, right? Because we basically every day we know exactly where price is going, right? It's just sometimes whether or not we get our setup or our entry determines whether or not we get a trade. But gang, I mean, we're on gold like white on rice, right? Like most days we know exactly to the number, right, to the decimal on where gold is actually going. It's just sometimes, you know, you can't get that setup, right? So there is an option to lower your risk, right? If you want to take, like, let's say you're waiting for this all day long, right? And you get the candle close and price is in a nice strong downtrend getting ready to move, then you could just maybe go like half risk or a quarter of a risk, or, you know, whatever you got to do to put the trade on. But yeah, me, I don't like doing no top wicks, no bottom wicks.
Yeah, like for me, like I'd have had it got in at like 215. That's like the only way. Cause then you like let that first 15 make the top wick for the hour.
Yeah.
And then it still closed bearish. So then like the next one.
Yeah, one thing that I tested at some point was, okay, if we close with no top wick, but this one makes like a little nub and comes down and then re-breaks the high, possible entries there. But I'll be honest, I tracked that for a few months and it really didn't have the best results.
You talking about like taking a sell right when it breaks the high?
No, taking a buy. So like, let's say the candle closed with no top wick, but the next one gives you opens up and gives you that top wick and then reflips and breaks the high, then take a buy there. But it didn't, it wasn't really the greatest.
No, that's, yeah, I think I was saying that on Thursday or Friday that I used to try doing that, and then it, like, yeah, you just get burned enough times and it's like, well, I'm just gonna stay away from that.
Yeah. Because,
yeah, like you said, sometimes it'll just come and re-break the high and then still flip back to bearish, for example, here.
Yep. So, yeah, I mean, I understand the volume, so really knowing. You can also take impulse entries, right? So maybe on the break of this high, you know, those are impulse entries. So those aren't bad, but, you know, they're more risky. They're more riskier trades. Having a 15-minute candle close above, that would take much of the, that would put the edge in our favor, right? So if you have a 15 close above, that puts the edge in our favor versus just kind of entering off the break of the high, hoping the candles move up. So if you actually get a closure above, right, now this candle says, hey, I'm looking to go up. The next one should be your driving candle. So yeah, I always like waiting for the closures. And I've tested these theories many times here in the last 3 years, and even sometimes like, let's say this candle here had a wick. Let's say there's a wick right here. So no bottom wick or no top wick on this bullish candle. Let's say this candle flips and breaks this high. You know, I've tested that out as well, and just no bueno. So we made a bottom wick, which is very good. So if we can get a pack runner here, right, and then start to close, maybe celery, there could be a potential move here, but I'd really like to see the closure above. But nice pack grabbed right there. That gives us a bottom wick on that previous candle there. So yeah, still respecting 30-minute lows, still respecting 1 hour lows, but that's good. Raja's the GOAT, not gonna lie. Yeah, pack. Undeniably the GOAT.
Yo, Johnny boy.
Johnny boy's here?
He's awake.
Oh, he's awakened. The return of Johnny Boy. The return of Johnny Boy.
You said that earlier. Legend has it he's still sleeping.
Yeah. I think that was AV Mike, if I remember.
That's so funny.
Legend has it he's still sleeping.
To this
What
day.
up there, Studley? You well rested there, pal?
What up, boys?
What up?
How we doing?
Yeah, I'm
Yo.
chilling, brother.
Blessed and highly favored, my man. How about you?
They're
Feeling good?
incredibly blessed, bro. Another day.
All right, man. Look at all the things that we have available to us in life. Isn't it an eye-opening blessing?
Oh, yeah, man.
The fact that we
I
can
was
even
just
do this today.
Yeah, dude, 100%. I was just thinking to myself the other day, like, someone's literally praying for the life you have, brother. You're blessed,
real.
man. You gotta wake up, hype. But yeah,
Yeah, man.
That's so true.
100%.
not for real. That's a lot of people too. Like, I feel like a lot of people in the world struggle with like not being happy with where they are in life. But there's people out there who are literally praying and trying to get what they got. Like, like it's just perspective is
Every time I feel like shutting it down on the treadmill, I always think of the guys who just wish that they can get up and run, or the girls that just wish, right? They're either paralyzed or they lost legs or they're injured, or I'm just like, all right, that'll push me another 10 minutes.
100%.
So gratitude will push you, man. Gratitude will push you.
100%. Right, and that goes out for traders too. Like, not being unhappy with where you are in your trading results right now, but being grateful that you have the opportunity to double your income with trading. Right,
Yeah, man.
you got to look at the opportunities and you got to be grateful for the positives that you have in your life.
Some of you guys are complaining, oh my God, I'm 2-3% down on my 50K challenge account. Like, yo, at least you got a 50K account, right? Some people are just, they can't even afford that, right? They got the skill set, but they can't even afford their 50K challenge. So stop complaining. Stop whining. Right? Stop
100%.
whining.
Stop quaking.
Stop quaking, man. I'm 2%
Hey, we all need to
drawdown on
practice
my
gratitude.
account. Come on, man.
So you start practicing gratitude in your life, man, you're gonna start to be happier. You're gonna start to feel happy.
Oh, yeah.
So true, yeah. And
Tighten up.
anxiety and gratitude both happen within the same place within the brain. So it's impossible to be anxious or feel any sort of anxiety if you're being grateful or
Facts.
generating those grateful thoughts. So, I never understood about why some people were like negative. I would always say that when I was younger. I was like, bro, you had the choice to be happy or like just upset, miserable. And I mean, like, I don't know. I'd rather just be happy, bro.
Word.
Why would you want to choose to be miserable?
And then that goes back to what Sam's talking about. It's like, it's crazy, Chad, because we have the power. Not many people understand that we are in the driver's seat, right? We control the thoughts we put out there, right? We decide which thoughts we put out there. We get to choose, right? So
Yeah, we do.
it's important that you take control over your authority that you have and get yourself in the driver's seat of the car. Don't let people make your choices for you, right? You need to take control. You need to take authority over your mind. It's time.
It's time.
Time to take control over your mind. Let's
Hey.
go.
Honestly, do we not have the greatest live stream name? Time to, you can
Eat.
You can do it. You can time to eat, time to delete, time to tighten up, right? Time to sleep, right? We got the honestly, we got the
Yes.
best thing. Time to be grateful, man. That's what it's time to be. Time to be grateful. I had guys that were 6 figures funded acting like they were like they didn't have that account, right? Just like, oh my God, blah, 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 blah. It's like, bro, come on, man. You got a 6-figure live account right now. The fact that you're complaining,
And got payouts with
get away from me.
it.
Oh man, just
And then guess what, chat? that over time will lead to you losing the account when you are so dominating by your negative thoughts because you can't take authority over your mind. You
Yeah.
start to get negative results too without even knowing it, right?
Yeah.
You look at all the negatives, you forgot that you even have a live account, right? You even have a live account to trade with, and then it turns into you losing the account.
Or just quitting.
Or quitting.
Just quitting on all the work you've done.
All that for nothing.
Don't quit. Don't quit, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you guys want to quit this week. Don't do it.
Yeah.
All the work you did is done if you quit.
Can't lose if you don't quit. That's the biggest reason of failure is quitting.
Sir.
If you quit, they win.
Oof. That drove me for years. All the naysayers. This guy believes he's gonna be successful. We know who he is. You're right. They would have won. If I didn't win, they would have. And I don't think I would have been able to live with that.
Yeah,
Shout out to them. Yeah.
Just think about it. Like, if you spend your whole day, your whole life trying to get something and never quitting, I think you'll get there eventually. Right? If you never quit your whole life, I think you'll get there.
Yeah. Ecclesiastes 3. Yeah, exactly. It's time to. Yup. Time to be born. There's a time to die, baby. Yup. Yup.
Hey, it's.
I like that. Never.
Time to be patient.
Actually never put that together in my brain. Just trying to save $32 for a 5K funded. Yeah. Yeah, man. And then you got people who are big 6-figure funded, got paid thousands of dollars through some of the trades, and there's just, I don't know.
They don't even like their life.
I don't know. I don't speak English. Yeah, don't quit, gang. Don't quit.
You gotta like it a little more challenging, right?
Yeah, I like it challenging. It'd be boring, bro. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, imagine you just like, bink, got it. Now you trade, and it's like everyone would do it, bro.
Yeah. Yep.
100%.
And they're not in love with the craft, right? The problem is, and don't take this the wrong way, but the problem is a lot of people are just freeloaders, right? They're going to use you for what they can get from you. And then once they can't really get much from you anymore, they'll leave you, right? And that's one of the toughest parts about leadership and about team building is that, you know, you'll pour into people, good people too, but once once things get a bit tough, they'll quit on you, right? So that's the biggest thing, but you just got to keep going, right? Because if you quit with them, well, you went down to their level now, right? And that's never any good. But you know, if you quit with them, then the rest of the people don't get impacted. So yeah, man, just got to wake up, commit to something bigger than yourself, and don't quit, right? Just keep pushing through.
Yeah, it's so true, because it's like, it might suck now, but man, I don't know. I enjoy the process. And then,
Yeah.
I don't know. If you quit now, it's like, what are you gonna do? Right? If you still sit here and you're doing this, struggling, I mean, if you just like quit, I mean, you're just gonna be in the same place no matter what anyways. You might as well like do something. Like, try and get after something, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Anytime there was an option to quit, it was just like, but what am I gonna do, right? What else am I gonna do? What am I gonna quit to? And sadly, the only option for most people is a job, right? A 9-to-5, and that's what they'll settle for. But man, I couldn't. They've got way more faith than me. If they can settle for a 9-to-5, right? They have way more faith than I do. I couldn't do it, man.
Yeah, and it's important to remember before you go out to go conquer your goals, it's important to remember that there's gonna be something that happens in the journey, and that there's gonna be two different perspectives, right? But the same kind of situation, right? Everyone's gonna go through trial and error, but the ones who fail are gonna quit, right? During that time, they're gonna get destroyed by the negatives and just quit. When the people who are gonna succeed, the successful people, when they get through trial and error, they understand that every failure brings with it success, right? So they're gonna understand that their failure is only helping them, right? Everyone's gonna go through trial and error. It's just what is your perspective gonna be? Are you gonna quit? Are you gonna look at all the negatives? Are you gonna understand that it comes with a positive, and you're gonna use that to move forward, right? We're all gonna get hit with trial and error at some point. Which perspective are you gonna have? And it's important that you remember this and keep this in the center of your mind, so that when it does happen, you're ready for it.
Yeah, you're
right. You want to be ready for it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and that's so true. Like with what you said about like the failing and that. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, even if you do fail, you fall on it like right on your face, and you end up in the same spot you were if you would have just quit. So like, get over the fact that, oh, someone might judge me. They might think that, who cares, bro? You're doing this for you. You're doing this for your family, for your whatever your reason is. So who cares what anybody thinks? If that's really the worst thing that's gonna happen to you, is you fall on your face and you make a mistake in front of others, who cares? You'll get back up. You'll get through it. And it's like, what are you gonna do? Quit? All right, well then it's like, wherever you're at's where you're at. Done. You're done.
Yeah.
So just, even if you are working like a 9 to 5, if you're putting the effort in, and focusing on the craft, don't focus on the money, focus on the craft. You want to be the best trader you can be, because then the money will just follow.
Facts.
Big time. Yeah. It's crazy, because success, right before success comes, there's that moment of difficulty, right? That, should I keep going? Should I push forward? And all you need is that extra little push. But sadly, a lot of people quit there, right? Very, very sad. But if you're ready for it, then you'll be able to detect it, right? Just like if somebody sucker punched you out on the street, you would probably get laid out, right? And go to sleep. But if you were in a boxing fight, right, and you knew that those punches were going to be coming, you'd be able to handle them a lot better, right? So that's the same thing on your journey, is that you're going to deal with trial and error. You're going to deal with bumps on the road. If you understand that, in the beginning, it'll be much easier to navigate through that journey and take those punches and just let them bounce off of you, versus completely surprising you and getting, knocking you out.
Back to what we were just talking about, like, it's so important that each day, at some point, you remember your why, right? Every day in the journey, you got to remember why you're doing it, right? Because why else are you doing it? You got to have a strong enough why.
Yeah, like Jeremy.
Also, that goes back to writing down your goals. This is why it's so important to write down your goals every day and to meditate in your goal. Because you want to, it's that feeling, right? Because it's the feeling that you're going to feel when you conquer the goal. When you feel this feeling every day by writing down your goals and meditating on it, it's just, you're going to feel that feeling every day. So you're going to manifest that in your life, right? That's why it's so important that we write down our goals and meditate on it.
Yep. Yeah, Jeremy, that's true though. Yeah, everything changed for me when my daughter was born. In terms of like the professionalism and the seriousness of the way I treated business, trading, entrepreneur ventures, just really tightened up, man, when I had kids. Because now that we had those kids, my wife and I were chilling, but if we were gonna remain chilling, we needed to bring some money in, right? So got very, very disciplined at that point and very professional. After Raja, Nick, let's go. Thanks, Fund Zone. Appreciate that.
Hey, what's up, YOLO Trader?
It's always a blessing, always a pinch myself moment when my name gets compared up there with the big dog Raja. So It's amazing. So 820 volume coming in here. Comics open. See if we can make our way up here on this 15 closure and possibly have positions for 830. So no top wick on this previous candle, but 820 may give us a push up, but we still need to see a 15 close above. If we can get a 15 closure above, then I will look to potentially have buy stops or take buys, you know, above this area here. So if we can get a candle to close above, next candle should move up, and that should also give us a pretty decent support formed on the 4-hour time frame as well here. Yeah, no one will remember you in 300 years anyway. So don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Hey, when people spend their whole life worrying about what other people are going to think of them, and then because of that, they don't do anything with their life. So then after they're gone, no one's going to remember them anyways. They were worried their whole life. They were worried about what other people would think, and no one ever even remembered him after he died, because he didn't want to do anything because he was scared of what others would say.
You guys ever read the poem In the Arena? The Man in the Arena? I love that one. If you guys haven't read that one, check it out. I believe it's called The Man in the Arena. All right, so we're gonna have to wait for 8:30 here on a 15 closure, but you got comics open. I do believe price should make a move up now, being that we've just broken the high 3 times. If we don't close above on the 15, then there's a chance that we may range until the new 4-hour open and we close bullish support, right? And then the next 4-hour drives us out of this consolidation here. So very, very important closure here on the 15, and that's going to be coming up here in 7 minutes. Yeah, you know what else I like? The Michael Jordan, I forget the name of it.
Was it like a documentary?
Yeah, it was like a quick little talk. I forget the name of it though. Yeah, one guy I like to study when it comes to mindset is Tiger Woods. You guys got to study some Tiger, man. That dude is a savage. That dude is... His mentality and mindset, if you study some of his work, is, man, almost second to none.
Really? I would have never guessed that.
Yeah, bro.
I mean,
Tiger Woods, man. That dude is lethal.
Yeah. I mean, he's super successful. Obviously, you know, he's got something, but like the way you describe it, like, I wouldn't have guessed.
My dude, Michael Jordan didn't even make his high school basketball team and became the greatest NBA player ever.
Yeah, the one I'm thinking of is like, he's like, maybe I was just handed this championship, or maybe I was just this, or maybe this happened. But he's like, or maybe you're just making excuses. I think it was I think it was called Excuses by Michael Jordan.
3, 2, 1, 0.
TK. Elon's bigger than Tiger. Yeah. Elon also may have been genetically modified in a laboratory. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Dude's too smart.
His brain might have been. The rest of his body, hell.
Miguel Jordan.
Miguel Jordan. It's Michael Jordan en español.
Miguel Jordan. Oh, man. All right, give me one moment. I'll be right back.
LeBron is better, I reckon. Oh,
Hey, Kobe's the GOAT. Come on.
yeah,
Just
cool.
because of his. I just love Mamba mentality.
So yeah, I've heard the argument. Nah, I've never watched basketball. Like, you know, like, cause obviously, like, back in the day, like when, like, Jordan would play. But the reason why everyone, at least from what I've been told, is like why he's the GOAT is because he'd be playing against like big guys, like all the time. It's like, and then a lot of the rules were different. It was more like physical. Hell, I don't know.
Yeah, I've never seen Michael Jordan play. I only could see highlights.
LeBron like Sidney Crosby, big crab baby. Yeah,
Yeah,
Sidney.
LeBron. I don't know what to think of LeBron. The most respect I got is for Kobe.
Yeah, facts. They had to change the NBA rules for Wilt. Yeah, I heard about that too before.
Damn. Yeah, I don't know, man. I saw a sketchy video. Curry has like a robotic arm. That's why he hits all those threes.
Who, Curry?
Yeah.
He's got a robotic arm.
Hey, that's for the conspiracies out there.
Dude's got an AI aimbot in his arm. That'd be some crazy.
For real.
Curry's got a robotic arm.
Robotic arm, Curry.
Dave,
Yeah.
you saw that video, right?
Curry's a hope. Oh, whoa.
You saw that video, right?
My man made 6 full court shots in a row.
Yeah, that's
that
an
video.
aimbot, bro. Loading up. Target
Yes, it
sighted.
is.
Just like this Goldie.
That's too funny.
Yeah, Louisville. Kevin Hart said he saw it.
Yeah, he did. And a few days later, he got, let's just not even go there. Yes. We want this stream to stay up here, don't we?
Watching.
Patrick Ewing was the GOAT.
I love LeBron.
Oh, are we going to get this closure or what? 1 minute, gang. 1 minute.
Push it.
Free well, baby.
Charts.
Don't range, bruv.
Will we get that closure? It's up to the charts. We're waiting on that answer right now.
Bro, I've been saying that all weekend. Bruv.
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 Don't range, bruv. Yeah, I got I played poker real life. Got absolutely destroyed, bruv. Absolutely destroyed, bruv.
Uh-oh.
I flopped a flush. I went all in. Some guy has Jack 2 offset. He goes, well, I guess I'll call. Dude, and then another well, what did I have? Clubs. Another one landed, bro. And then of course I had 9-10 of clubs. This guy had Jack of clubs, 2 of hearts.
Ooh.
Damn.
Yeah. I know. I'm speaking like foreign language.
He's
to
speaking
y'all,
training language. That's what our wives.
I understand.
That's what our wives hear when we talk about trading.
Yes, I understand. Hell
You
no.
dudes are trying to
I'm
explain
pretty
your
sure,
entire
like,
trading
to
session to your wife.
explain that to y'all. That's like getting a 930 salary, and then it just like you lose on that trade. Like, I mean, like, what are you gonna do?
Yeah, right.
So I'm pretty sure you get like a 80% chance of winning if you flop a flush. And that's like, yeah, bro. All right. What's 830 doing?
We never closed above. We never
Ooh,
got
right
a
at
bottom
it.
wick.
No bottom wick, and it's
So,
flying.
1 hour may
Whatever.
tick off here.
It does nothing.
Under
4 hour
Raja took this.
potentially creating support.
Ooh.
Let's get everyone a little late here today. What's good? Hey, better late than never.
Popping.
Close but no cigar. That's right, big folk bread. Andre. Yeah, some of you dudes be trying to explain this whole trading thing to your wife. She's like, dude, I don't care.
Yeah. Keep it quiet. Quiet.
She say money or no?
You make money or you make no money?
You make any money from it? Let it. If you ain't making money, just keep quiet right now.
My wife used to say, how'd the trading session go, babe? Awesome. Incredible.
Yeah. Back when I first started, like trying to tell my girl about trading, she's like, "You make any money?"
30 pips here.
And I'm like, well, see, Gold's over here making the 30-minute support on the 4-hour, and then we could take the next. And then the girl's like, what?
Where's the money?
She's like, where's the money? Yeah, tell him, bring me my money. That's what she said.
Yeah, I tell my wife, no, the red numbers are positive, honey. Those are the positive numbers. Yeah. That means exactly. Yep.
Anna lost this yesterday, Nick, when we were talking about trading.
She's like, why does it say negative $3,000, Nick?
Withdraw?
No. The red's positive. Trust.
Nah, I was the
Negative
Reds.
because it came out of my account.
Yeah.
Jeremy, I feel you on that.
Yeah.
Nice, Mike J. Yeah, no, I'm just messing with you guys. My wife's the same way. She's awesome.
Someone asked if poker helps with trading. Now, what I will say is, I was trading before I ever played poker, and there are certain scenarios that I think trading has helped me in poker. Like, for example, like just laying it down if you know you're beat, instead of just holding it till your account blows, right? You just gotta lay it down sometimes, because you know sometimes you gotta realize this, you're definitely crushed, and then you just gotta take the loss and move on to the next hand, move on to the next best setup.
That's a good point.
What is it? There's another one as well. But yeah, I mean, like just playing the high probability setups, like playing the good hands, you get like queen king or like ace king, right? Those are high. If you go get those hands, you have a high probability of winning. So just waiting for those and then betting big. It's like the same thing with trading.
Oh yeah.
But the thing with trading is you don't even have to put any money in to see the setup form.
Yeah, it's true.
So that's a positive there.
Real fact.
Do anything.
Trade can help like with a lot.
Yeah, and you can't bluff the market.
No bluffing.
You can't just keep hitting buy and
Oh,
like try and pull it, bro.
That's true.
Did you ever use a trading simulator with historical data for learning? Yeah, I still do. Yeah, I still use simulators. Why didn't I enter? No bottom wick on this candle here, and no closure above. Yeah, I would have entered off the 1 hour had we had an actual top wick here too, but no top wick. So this is a scenario where we were talking about earlier, where you guys can potentially enter with a lower risk, right? Because it's a little bit riskier, and enter the trade, right? Just to put the trade on. But for me, I wanted to see a close above and at least a bottom wick on this candle here.
Sure. Raja took that above, break above 97. Or 98. So,
What? You
Winner
said he
now.
took it?
no, I'm sure he did.
He could have, yeah, you could have took an impulse entry. So impulse entry probably above these highs here.
Yeah, 98.
What does no top wick mean? It means the next candle has a 50-50 chance of moving up. So when you have a top wick, that will put it more in like a 80-20. But when there is no top wick, it turns more so into like a 50-50. I always have this question. Do you use a book map? If not, why? What's a book map? I'm not sure what that is.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. I think we'll have some really clean buys on the 4-hour time frame here as well. Next 4 hour. But yeah, very simple reason on why I didn't enter. It just didn't fit my plan. Right? I can tell that price should move up. It just has to line up with my plan for the entries. What's the program called that I use to mark up charts and measure the pips? I'm just using the ruler over here. This is how you measure pips with the ruler. Right here. You guys see that? Yeah. Shows orders, liquidity, and volume. Nah, I've never used that. Nope. I used to use certain indicators, but I don't use indicators anymore. They're just not. They just don't fit well with me. But hey, if you're using indicators and making money, then they work well for you, right? So there's literally nothing wrong with indicators. I just choose not to use them. But if they're showing you volume and all that, I don't know. I don't think they would give up the secrets that easily. You know, maybe you can see where some volume is. I don't know. I've never used it. If it's a paid indicator, maybe. If it's free, I don't know.
Bookmap is rocket science software. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. What does it do? It shows volume, liquidity. Yeah, I feel like the candles do that. Like if you have a big candle, that's lots of volume.
Yeah.
You
Here
got
comes
big
our
wicks,
bottom wick.
liquidity. Yeah, you see all that. That's the liquidity.
Yeah. So the reason I never take trades with no bottom wick is very simple. So you notice how this candle now created a bottom wick. So at any moment, right now, you guys can see, hey, it came up to here, right? But at any moment, it could have turned around. So let's say you entered right here. This candle could have turned around here. Could have turned around here. Could have turned around here. Could have turned around here, right? It could turn around anywhere. So therefore, when it doesn't have a bottom wick, I won't get in, right? Because now this thing may close bearish, and you know we may start moving down here. But 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So if one doesn't have one, and it's moving on up, well, guess what? You're now opened up to an 85% chance of a pullback happening. So that's why I don't ever enter when candles open and move up with no bottom wick. Now, this one probably would have got us partials. Yes, right? But that's not going to happen every time. And if you break your plan once, you'll break it again.
Dirt.
Oh, look at that. 5 minute up, 5 minutes down. Yeah, 4 hours is going to be pretty big here. Trust me, we may be able to get a better move outside of that range. Might be able to get something better, right? Something that lines up with our plan a lot more. Let's say we come down, right? We need to create a new 4-hour bottom wick. So we come down like this. And then maybe, just maybe, right? We can start to move back up. And when we move back up this time, right? Maybe we get a closure that works out well for us, right? Something like this. And then get a opening of the new candle that sets up well also, right? Nice little bottom wick. Something that fits our plan a little bit better, maybe around 9:30, right? 9:15, 9:45. So much rather wait for something that actually lines up with my plan versus trying to, you know, scrap up a couple bucks here. It's meant to trade with futures on ticks. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Even target that 4-hour resistance.
Yeah, because if we close bullish here, what are we doing? We're creating support, right? So if we're creating support on a bullish day on the 4-hour time frame, we would expect the next 4-hour to give us a bottom wick and begin to drive up, right? To either retest these resistances or tap into target here today. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for that bottom wick to be formed, and then that just goes to, you know, what I just showed you on that 30-minute example. Once that bottom wick is formed, you should get a closure above right around a high volume time, and when that happens, that's when we will strike. That's when we will pounce on our kill. Yep. If the 15 close above, will I enter buys? Most likely not yet, because we need a 4-hour bottom wick here too. So chances are we're going to drive back down here, right? On the 30-minute time frame, we'll most likely drive back down towards the bottom of the range, so we can grab that 4-hour bottom wick, right? Or maybe not down to the bottom of the range, but we should move back down at least to create a 4-hour bottom wick here. So I think we should wait for that. And let's say this is what, so you have this 15 closure, and then the last 15 of the 4-hour candle will close up, and then the new 4-hour will begin, right? So if we get some sort of structure like this on the 15 to start moving down, right? Get a candle to close bearish, and then we start moving up, that's going to be ideal, right? That's your 4-hour bottom wick. This is the move back up here. Create support, let's say 9:15, 9:30, close above, and then we take our trades moving up. That I have seen play out many more times successfully than just trying to take a buy towards the end of the 4-hour here. What do you think, boys?
I think that's a W.
I think that looks good.
Hey, we can't get it without patience.
And then we also have a wick to fill. So we have a target like a TP1 here, right? Nice little 32 pip vantage point.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, 15 closed bear, perfect. So 15 closed bearish below the range. Let's see if what we want will play out, right? If what we want plays out, then we will 100% be in there, just like any other day. And pound yen is consolidating here again now. So 30-minute candles are moving up. 15 is consolidating. 4-hour is pretty bullish right here. So we're pretty bullish. I guess we didn't end up rejecting. daily candle may close bullish, right? If we can close back in the range here, let's get rid of everything. Right, daily candle closed below here, but we may see a fake out. Right? What do we talk about when price aggressively breaks the lows very quickly early on in the session? That to me sounds like a lot of bark but no bite, right? So a lot of times what'll happen is that'll be the early signs to a fake out. And when that fake out happens, you should see price close back in the range here, right? So if it does that, then tomorrow buys are very clean and move back up. Oh yeah, it's that solo guitar. You just let him rock, man. Just let when the guitar gets too loud, just let homie do his thing. Let him do its thing.
Let him cook.
Let him cook on that
The
guitar.
guitar's in his bag.
It'll lower. It'll lower.
In his bag.
He's in his bag. That solo hits. Guitar.
The dude's cooking.
Cook.
Am I tripping or did the music get louder? Yeah, man. That solo on the guitar, that dude just cooks. He just goes above and beyond on that one part there. Yeah, so new 4 hour, last 15. The 4 hour should pull back a little bit here. That'll be nice. That'll be a nice little move down. And I think we'll remain in this consolidation, right? And if we're going to have 3 times to strike here, right? We're going to have 9:15, we're going to have 9:30, we're going to have 9:45. So one of those 15-minute candles is going to be a high volatile candle, right? A lot of volume in it. So I think whichever one closes above the following one, from my experience, will be the one that's going to rip here. So let's wait on that. Right now we got a massive rejection to the top side. 1 hour candle not able to close above. 30-minute candle still struggling. 15 closed below. So just got to wait here.
Yep. Good thing we got patience, right? Right, chat?
But in the meantime, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you are not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And
Get up.
ask any questions that you may have. We are here for you.
Hey, chat, remember that the goal today is not to make money, right? The goal today is to just follow our plan, because us following our plan is the real W, right? And the W's add up over time. They stack up over time. So if you just come with that mentality every day, over time, you're winning, right? You got so many W's stacked up, just straight W's.
Yeah.
So focus on the goal today, right? Not to make money, but follow your plan, taking the best trades you can take.
Yeah, being the best trader you can possibly be.
Yep.
Sir.
Yep. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. I just want to open this door here. Give me 1 moment.
Yes, consistency. Need consistency, man. Hey, maybe I just saved someone from taking a trade. I could have been a loser.
Johnny Boys for the people.
Oh, yes, sir. You trade Euro USD? No, I don't trade. I don't trade Euro USD.
Euro USD too slow.
Hey, gang, who's going to be there for our Monday night Bible study, talking about wealth, talking about money, talking about finances, talking about riches, talking about what the book of Proverbs says. Anybody coming through for that? I'm excited. I'm preparing that right now.
I'll be there.
I'm looking forward to seeing what the Lord's got to say, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be an awesome, awesome evening. That is going to be, I believe we're going to do that next week, next Monday night. We're going to go ahead and look at the positives of wealth, the dangers of wealth as well, and see what the word has to say.
Let's do it up.
Oh, I'm there. Sandman, what's up?
Sandman in the building. I'll be
Man,
there at
TK.
2 a.m. Oh, nice. Yeah, I
Attaboy.
believe there's a word for y'all, and I believe you guys are going to benefit big time from it.
Hey, if the word's there, I'm there.
Dave Ramsey
Got
going to
you.
be there? No. At what time will that be? I believe we're going to do that next week, which is November. It's probably going to be November 6th. That's going to be Monday next week.
Hey, yo, bring the family. All right.
Yeah. Yes. Bring the family, have the kids there. Bring the wife, bring the husband. It's going to be a good time. All right. Nothing yet here. Oh, it'll be probably around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Maybe we'll do it a little early because I know I got some other people that are pretty in a different time zone. So I know it'll be pretty late for y'all. So we'll see if we can get it a little bit earlier that day. Why do you have more wins but still in drawdown? Two or three massive losses. So big full stop losses got hit.
Excuse me.
8 p.m. for you is 2 a.m. for me. Sheesh. Yeah, we'll try. Maybe we'll try and get it done around like 6 p.m. Eastern. Yeah. Maybe even 5 p.m. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So look, this depending on the closure, right? If we close above it, it starts to get a little tough to wait for a steep bottom wick, right? If we're already closing above on the 1 hour/30 minute. So if we do close above, we're gonna treat this like a normal 1 hour breakout. If we don't close above, then yes, I'm gonna look to see a retest back down into these zones here to create that 4 hour bottom wick, and then maybe a 15 closure above. So let's see what happens here for the new 4 hour open here. 5:30. I could listen on my way to work. Oh yeah, I think we'll try and get it earlier. 8 p.m. is, excuse me, a little bit too late. So I mean, it's pretty late on my end too, but I think I'll be able to get it done maybe earlier. Bro, 8 wins, 5 losses. Why still in drawdown? I just told 2 or 3 massive losses. 2 or 3 full stop losses got hit. That's what really pushed me down. I think, that one day where we lost those 2 big, or for me, it was 2 big full stop losses got hit. Lost like 20,000 that day. Did I learn a little bit? Yeah, I learned from Don and Raja. Have I already been funded? Yeah, I was funded $100,000 account with my Forex funds for a long time.
My frozen funds.
Why is your camera blurry? Oh, thanks for... Let's unblur it. Oh, we good now? We good? We good? How's that? Oh wow, looks like the 1 hour candle may close above here. We got 4 minutes left. 4
At 1
minutes
hour.
left. 30 minutes gonna close, 15 may close as well, creating a support there. So very interesting now. Very, very interesting. Let's see what happens. Who is Raja? Ooh. Did I change prop firms after they yeah, so basically I had a live 100K account with my Forex funds that I was trading for a while. I haven't traded my own capital. I was looking back. I haven't traded my own capital in about almost 2 years now. So yeah, so I've been trading with my Forex funds, a little bit of FTMO as well. But once that whole shutdown happened, they shut my live account down. So I ended up just moving over to the funded trader and grabbing an account with them. Oh wow, what's this 1 hour candle gonna do? Oh, I forgot to hit record. All right, we're recording now. Just in time, TK. No one reminded me. The only day I needed a reminder. Is to my Forex funds the... Oh, is it the court date tomorrow? Yeah, I think it was the last day of October, right? Yeah,
Oh, really?
well, it was September 11th, then it got pushed back to October 31st, and then I'm sure tomorrow it'll get pushed back to like January 30th or something.
Yeah, I was gonna say once again, put back in.
Don't hold your breath. Oh wow, yeah, it looks like we're gonna close above here on the 1 hour. So what I've noticed is if we do close above on the 1 hour, those are the times where we may not get the steepest 4 hour bottom wick. So we're gonna keep everything in mind here. Looks like we may close above on the 15 as well. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So we definitely need a bottom wick for sure, but we'll see. We'll see. I want to see a bottom wick coming down into like at least back in the range here, right? If we get a bottom wick that breaks through 96 here, a little bit back in the range, that'll be perfect.
Who is the owner of my Forex funds exactly?
Where's Shiro? Shiro's away this week. Yeah, Shiro was away mid last week into mid this week, I believe. It's not the same without him.
Man, it's chilling. My man's on vacay.
All right, we need a bottom wick here. If this thing takes off, it's yeah. So this is what I love to see, a nice roll bullish, and now we need to come back down bearish and create that bottom wick. My frozen phone's about to melt. It's about to melt. So new 4 hour, so 4 hour candle closed very nicely here. So this next 4 hour, what I'm anticipating is something like this to go down. right? A nice bottom wick here, and then the 4 hour to reflip bullish, break its own high, and then retest this resistance up top here. That's ideally what this 4 hour candle should do, and that's what I'll be looking to anticipate here on the 4 hour / 1 hour time frame. That distance is about 70, about 80 pips. About 80 pips. And then the stop loss here is going to probably be the current candle low. So wherever that current candle low is, or we can use previous 30-minute low. Yeah, I think 30 low is going to be best bet.
You're holding until full 4 hour TP?
Depending on our entry here, there's a advantage point right here. We're starting to move up pretty aggressively though. 27 pips away. But we'll see. We need a bottom wick. Need a bottom wick. She's gone. Oh, she'll come back for us. She'll come back.
Come on, Gold. Give us our deal.
But at the end of the day, if she don't, it's either our deal or no deal.
For real.
Well, what would be awesome would be 15 closure. All right, 9 a.m. 9:15. 9:30 creates support. And then 9:45 takes us to the promised land. Sure hope. Cheryl's in the building. Cheryl's bringing that bottom wick for us here.
Up, Cheryl.
How do you feel about impulse entries? I think I only ever saw you take closures. Yeah, I see. There's a time and a place for impulse entries. Haven't really. I kind of took them out of my trading plan this year. They are a bit of a more of a riskier move, but they do work out if you know how to use them. And I'm pretty good at using impulse entries, knowing when price will move up. But, you know, this year I kind of took them out of my trading plan because I noticed they were still a bit 50-50. There wasn't a real edge to them outside of only when I took it during volume, session opens, things like that. So maybe we'll add impulse entries back in next year. But, yeah, since about February, I took them out of the trading plan, so. Once I started following you, my trading style changed drastically. Oh, hope that's good. Thanks for Raja, who actually helped you discover your. Oh, nice. Helped you discover my channel. Cool, awesome. Oh yeah, you're welcome. Shout out to Raja. What up, Rafi? What up, Daniel? Daniel. Don't get Shiro upset now. We'll come out here throwing knives. What's good? In the seller play, does the last candle have to close right at support, or can it have a gap up and support, kind of like this one? It's always best when it leaves more range, right? So more range the better. At this point, you've pushed up quite a bit there, so yeah, I don't think those work out the best. They're typically ones that, let's say our range was here. something like this. And then this candle closed bearish. They usually work best when it's like a very weak small candle closing right at the range. I think that's the question you're asking. So closing right at it, right, maybe a little bit above it, but all the way up here is a bit of a different story. Yeah, to be honest, what I would love to see now is like a 15-minute fake out. So get this candle right here to close back within the range, looking something like this. Close back in it, getting a fake out to the downside, and now candles closing back in the range, right? And we get the same entry that we wanted. We take our buys here at 9:30. So that would be awesome, right? Especially being that there's no bottom wick just yet. This would be a very, very clean setup. So we'll see what happens. Oh, nice. Good morning, Andrew. What up, Andrew Rody? Skitty. Oh, the boys. What happened to the boys here? Sleep stops got activated, maybe. Cooking pips in Wakanda. Oh, nice. Yeah. Throw them pips from Wakanda, man. It might be time to eat pretty soon. Louis G's not back yet? Louis G got activated. Sleep stops. Where's Green at? Green's like, oh, BRB. BRB. If you're trading using the 15-minute, how do you know if it'll be a fake out or not? The candle has to close back in. So if you get a candle to close below and then the next candle closes back in the range, then you know you got a fake out. Maybe you can show the Raja clip we had watched in the 24-hour stream. Which one? I think there was 2 that we watched, right? Classic trader. Look at the wrenches. The wrenches are out here. The wrench boys are here. Hey, where's Shad? Where's Shad been? Fake outs lead to onions. Yes, sir, C4. Exactly. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this 4-hour just driving up here with nothing. No bottom wick. Oh, look at that. Yeah, GJ moved up here. Very nice. Yeah, after that range too. Break, retest, moved on up. How's that daily candle looking now? Yeah, it looks like we may get a daily fake out here on pound yen. Yep. Yo, I wore this headset for like 16, 17 hours straight. I actually got a pretty good review on this. They were pretty comfortable the majority of the time. I had to take them off here and there, but Yeah, they were pretty comfortable. Is that good on the 4 hour? The problem with the 4 hour candle here is no bottom wick, right? So remember, this candle is 4 hours long here. So we're only about 10 minutes into this candle. So I am expecting a bottom wick here. We're starting to break the high though. Yeah, a lot of times what you'll see as well is a potential, let's say the 15 closes, right? You'll see the bottom wick come from a new candle here, right? Pop down, give it a bottom wick, and then shoot up. So if that's the case, then we may take a position, but we gotta wait for the 15-minute candle to close here. We got 6 minutes or 3 minutes. Why are you always saying no bottom wick when there is one? I mean, I guess if you go like this, we've got one. Like, technically one is there, right? If we stretch it out far enough. Let's measure. How many pips is this? 1 pip. So, yeah, 1 pip is no bottom wick for me. That I would consider basically no bottom wick. Yeah, 1 pip is not going to cut it. Because, look, where's our stop loss, right? So, yeah, we could use the previous 30, but the previous 15 is 29 pips away. Previous 30 is, well, and this is from the flip, right? So, if we would have to take this position from somewhere logical, right, where it made a high first, you've got a 40 pip stop there. 1 hour is like 55 pips, so we also need a stop loss here, right? So if that bottom wick hasn't been established yet, then we don't really have any legitimate stop loss just yet, unless you did want to use like the 30 candle or the 1 hour back in the range, but those stops were pretty big. Is it necessary that there should be a bottom wick? Is it important? Yeah, it's important. It is important because, again, remember we were talking about this just a few minutes ago about how so 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So if a candle doesn't have that, right, and it's just moving without it, then there's a high chance, there's an 85% chance that it'll come down to make that bottom wick, right? I mean, not 100%, right, because you see this candle moving up, but an 85% chance. So I don't want to take that chance, right? I don't want to take that chance. So unless we have a bottom wick, then I know that wick has been established and now we can move up there. Yeah. Your 4 hour don't correspond with my 4 hour, which gave me an entry. Oh, nice. Yeah. So we probably using different liquidity here. So yeah, let's see. Did we get a bottom? Yeah, we barely got a bottom wick there either, so.
Well, just wants to drive it at us today, I guess. On this Monday.
Yeah. Yeah, we got volume coming in. So 15 closure coming up here. So 15 did close. Very strong push on the first 15 here of the 4 hour. Wow. Hopefully you've been in since 92. 92. Check the NASDAQ. Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, no closure just yet. But 4 hour did close resistance, so not bad, right? 30 minute Our 1 hour closed bearish as well. 30-minute as well. We still didn't really close below that support just yet. So we may get some sort of a pullback now and a wick fill, right, to come down and test that support there at 9:30. So we got a lot of volume coming in here at 9:30. You still got no top wick on this candle just yet here as well. So let's see. I think 9:30 may be a play on NASDAQ. Yeah, gold. I'm gonna wait here on gold. 30-minute closure here. Yeah, it closed above the range, but yeah, time of volume, but it made the small wick. Yep. Yeah, pretty much no wick. Pretty much no wick.
Time to wait.
Time to wait. BRB. BRB green.
BRB. Goldie trolled Back yellow trader. Was good. Red candle on 15. Yeah. Yep. No wick, what does that mean? Well, a wick equals a range, so no wick means no range. That's what it means. Potential fake it on GJ? Definitely a possibility. Nick said BRB, will he come back? Who knows, honestly. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. Are we waiting for 30-minute candle close? Yes. Yeah, we're gonna wait on 30-minute, wait on 9:30. We'll see the info. We'll see what info we got at 9:30. And 9:30 will bring in some more volume too, so. There's a 50% chance that Nick will come back. That's so correct, Nick. Z Gamer, so correct. What's good, Z Gamer? When to enter and buy.
Gotta think in probabilities. What was the probability that I would come back?
I guess 50%, honestly.
$50. Damn. I would think it was a higher percentage than that.
It is. If we're going, yeah, if we're doing probabilities, it'll be 100.
100. When have I not come back?
You never said BRB and not come back, right? So
one day I might BRB y'all.
99% probability.
So we could change the probability there.
Hey, yo, Joe's birthday today.
Happy birthday to where is that handsome young man, Joe Stewart, with the big birthday?
Joe, I know you hear this.
Joey Stu, where you at, buddy?
Hibachi tonight, eh?
Hibachi tonight. Irish goodbye live. Speaking of Irish, where's our buddy, man? I don't know why I cannot remember his name. It's my Amway boy. Damn. Can't find him.
Is it St. Connor?
I don't think his name was Connor. No. Joey Stu, where you at?
Oh, report to the chat.
What's up with you, B?
Was it your boy Lucas?
Nope.
Lucas O'Cali?
Nope. I want to say it was like, it wasn't Cedric, or was it? It was something like that.
Cedric. Pretty dope name.
Forget.
This is how the 4-hour candle wants to be, huh?
4-hour candle wants to do us like this, chat.
You want to make price action look a little bit sloppier today, 4-hour, huh?
Yeah, he was always talking about excess. He was always talking about the excess. Don't know where he went. GJ.
Anyone say gold boss? Let go of your system.
Yeah, someone's system has to allow them in here.
Yeah.
Why is she playing? She's playing games on this Monday. Yeah, this is a perfect 1-hour closure too here, man. So we just needed, if we had a bottom wick, we would have been in that.
Oh yeah.
We would have been in there.
That's no doubter.
Our next option here is the 30-minute close, which is in 3 minutes. So we'll see what happens then. We do have potentially a celery play looking thingamajig. So let's see, maybe we get the celery play. Maybe it pulls back and we just get a nice bottom wick and then a move up. $9.30 celery incoming? Yeah, possibly. Possibly, yep. GJ making its way back down here too. So we are bearish on the day here on pound yen. If that was our top wick, right, we can anticipate this candle moving, potentially moving down here, right? We did get the actual close below, so you may see a move down, or you know, this could be a fake out here depending on how the daily candle closes. But if we are creating resistance, then we may start to find our way moving down here on pound yen. I'm ready for some hibachi, son. Tonight.
Can't wait.
Anna's gonna take a lay to go finger painting, do some painting.
Hey, let's go.
This afternoon. Me and Maverick are gonna be chilling. Gonna be chilling with
Nice.
Mavy boy all day.
Wife and a Leia, go get your nails done. The boys, do some push-ups.
All right, 4 minutes. We seem to be at a standstill here. Oh, wow. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. What are we gonna do? Where's Sam Capital? He'll be back in 3 minutes and 23 seconds.
Hey, lock it in, chat.
Lock it in, lock it in. GJ, yeah, we'll see if we get a pullback here for pound yen. But we do know we have volume coming in, right? We have volume coming in at this point. So we'll see. We'll see. It looks like the 30 is going to close bullish. 15 is going to close bearish here. So we'll see what happens. Still anticipating this bottom wick. Will we be able to get it? That's the question.
That's the thing. I was thinking too, like, wow.
Yeah.
'Cause it could be a clean wick fall on 30, but still no bottom wick.
No bottom wick.
The 10 minutes, like, screw it.
We'll see. We'll see. We got volume coming in, so we got a closure here in less than 2 minutes. And then gold or pound yen looks pretty okay as well. Right, there's a 30-minute resistance here. Depending on whether or not we close back within it, you may see a move back down here. Stops aren't too bad. Yeah, you may get some sort of a 15 celery here. GJ with 8 cap. GJ with 8 cap, man. I think I'm gonna be using. I think I'm gonna be entering manually for now on with pound yen, and I won't be using any stop loss. Just straight manual stop losses too. It's beautiful out now. Oh, North Carolina. Oh, yeah, North Carolina's probably beautiful. Tampa's been lovely too, man. I believe this week we're gonna get a little bit of cooler weather coming in.
Every day this month was just money. Gorgeous.
Yeah, it was about perfect every day.
Straight up. Straight up.
Straight up.
And the nighttime though, so beautiful. Nice cool weather.
Yeah, really, really nice. All right, so 15 close has happened. Let's see here. So 30-minute, we have a 30-minute new candle here. We also have a new 15. The 15 did close bearish. So let's see if we could break. If we could break this low here, and then re-break the high, I think that's going to be a good opportunity for us to take advantage of this celery play. Let's see if we could break that low first, and then potentially move up here. Yeah, otherwise price may drive down to give us a 4-hour bottom wick here. What are stops? About 28, 29 pips. We'll see. Alright, can we get a bottom wick on the 4-hour candle here? Will we do it? Alright. All right. So what I'm gonna do here is I like gold on the 30-minute time frame here. So we've come down. We've created a bottom wick. If we reflip and break that high, then there's a high chance we'll continue moving up here. We've got volume on our side. I see a 36 pip advantage point here, and then 2007, 2008 coming up. So there's 24 pip stops here, and I'm pretty comfortable using those. 930 volume, so we'll see how this all pans out. If we re-break these lows, then there's a shot that we come down to create this bottom wick here, right? So maybe we'll just wait on that, see if we actually do that. Would really love to see that low break. Yeah, worst case too, we get a 15 that closes back bullish here. So this 15-minute candle closes bullish. That will be the worst case if we really need to wait. Can we do it? Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here. So buy stops on the break of the highs here on 30-minute time frame. If we break that high, we should come up, fill that wick, and then continue moving up here like so. So stops are gonna be kept below the previous candle, and this is gonna be the trade that I'm looking at.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, we closed bullish, strong bullish on a bullish day here at 9:30. So although we did close bearish on the 15, yes, we still are closing bullish on the 30. We are still pumping up pretty nicely. I really want to see the bottom wick. If we can get the bottom wick, that's going to be even more confirmation here. So let's see if we could actually flip. Five-minute gonna close up here. Closing strong bullish. Can we make the bottom wick? Here it comes. Can we do it? Oh man, we came so close. So close. Can we give it another shot here? GJ. Oh yeah, GJ also closed here on the 30-minute. So we closed bearish as well here. Yeah, GJ may be a good idea as well. Yeah, not bad.
Looks clean.
Gold is trying to make a bottom wick here. Let's see if we actually get it. Yeah, so the one thing about pound yen is we close right at this support level here. So I think I'm gonna wait for GJ because he may create a support to move up here. By the looks of it, price wants to continue moving up. So I'm gonna wait for a close below here or a potential support to form there. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, so there's our 4-hour bottom wick. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, let's go ahead and delete this. So delete that position, and now now that we've got the bottom wick, let's see if we can get some actual confirmation, like a support formed here. Yeah, that's good though. We needed that bottom wick. Yeah, let's see how everything closes up here on the 15. Yep. This is perfect. This is good. 9:45 may be the play here. We got 5 minutes left in this 15 candle here. That may be our move. Probably wants to tap the previous support. Probably. NASDAQ. Oh, yes, sir. Fake out on NASDAQ. Back into the range. Move all the way up. What do you know? Geronimo. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Yeah, so this is a fake out right here. So you had a candle close below. You got another candle close back within. Fake out / onion. Move up. Tapped into our target there perfectly. Believe that was yeah, nice. Nice. Another one there on the NASDAQ. All right, 4 hours now giving us this bottom wick here. Let's see what we want to do. All right, cool. Now we're starting to flip bullish again here. Does the fake out or onion have a bigger win rate than every one of your separate? No, so the celery has the highest win rate, and then the onion, and then the breakout. The breakout, so I have to tally everything up for, I guess, the past couple of months, but the past 2 years, when we usually track it by year, it's held about an 80% win rate. So onion and breakouts, but the celery was much better. It was a 92% win rate last year on the celery play. So it's probably just about the same this year. Celery is going to be your the rarest setup you're going to come across. But, you know, onions and breakouts are going to be the more popular ones. Sergio TTE Bank Santos, don't fall asleep, bro. Don't fall asleep, bro. Yeah, GJ looks like it wants to create support here. Gold, nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, every fake out is an onion. Every fake out is also an onion. Drink some coffee.
Drink some water first.
Facts. Water's got to be the first thing you drink.
Dude, I made that mistake this morning, bro.
Yeah.
It's been dominating.
How many trades do you win a month on average, would you say? I mean, these are our stats right here, right? So since February. So these are our stats. This is March. This is May, or April, I should say. This is April. This is May. So it all depends, I think. It's a little bit different every month. That's June. June was good. May was one of our higher amount of trades. We took a little bit more trades in May. July. July was decent. August was pretty good. I think July was our worst month. Yeah, I think that was our worst month in July. And then August we kicked back up into gear. September was pretty good, right? Just one loss. Not many trades in September, man. What happened in September? I think I was traveling that. Yeah, I was traveling in September, I think. And then here's October. So, yeah.
A ride, baby. What a great ride.
What a ride it's been. 101 wins here on stream. So what a ride, man. Seriously, it's been a great one so far.
Man, you win 100 trades in a year. You're good.
Yeah, you guys can get our journal too. If you type in ! journal, you can get those in. And then I would say add like I would say add like 5 or so trades per month that just went into like the signals channel. So they weren't taken on. Those are only the stream trades. We got to get some meat set up. Yeah, it's the Wagyu. Yo, we should honestly do that. We're looking at a ribeye right here, gang. If we get this ribeye, oh man, it's going to be a juicy one. Yeah, we need to switch over. What are we doing? What are we doing vegetables for?
All right, bro. What are we, vegans?
We got to switch it up, man. What are we doing? It's that spaghetti and meatball. How you doing? We're looking at a ribeye. Look at this New York strip right here. We should call Wickfills a New York strip.
Let's do it.
We need a T-bone at the moment. All right. Well, this 15-minute candle is going to close here. I want to see the 5-minute as well. Yeah, 15 looking like we're tapping back into that zone. That's the 4-hour bottom wick I'd ideally like to see here. But we've got no confirmation just yet on these lower time frames. Yo, word. Yo, we should call the celery the tomahawk moving forward.
Ooh.
Yo.
Yeah, I like that.
Who thought of this? See, that's why I love surrounding myself with geniuses. Is that even a word? Geniuses? Genius? Bunch of, yeah, I don't know. I'm not that smart, gang.
Onions the ribeye.
I lift candles up and I put them down. Yo, that's it. We're renaming every play. Every setup is getting a new name. Yeah.
Tomahawk, ribeye, and sirloin.
Yo, celery.
The sirloin.
Yeah, we got nothing here. Nothing just yet. Yo, but if we start doing that, I'll be hungry. You guys don't understand. Like, steaks are 80% of my diet. 85% of my diet.
Good.
Damn.
That should be everyone's diet.
I'll be cooking up a steak right after the live streams. Yo, catch a ribeye real quick.
Catch a ribeye.
What's your favorite steak? I like ribeyes the best.
Same. Sam, you got a favorite steak?
I don't know, bro. I just like it all.
I like them all,
Right.
babe.
Oh, we're hitting up the steakhouse with Sam when we see him.
Yeah, I just grabbed 4 juicy New York strips yesterday for the week. Beyond Steak. Yo, don't be in that Beyond Meat gang. You're going beyond what you really need to be doing. Dry aged ribeye, yeah, those are great. I think we're gonna create a support here on the 15, and I think the 1 hour may close bullish still, but we've got to wait. So 12 minutes here for everything to close up. So we're just gonna wait on that now. So if we get a closure on the 1 hour time frame and it's bullish, along with a 15-minute support that's formed, then I may look to take this thing back up here. Whenever I open stream, it's all food. Oh man. Well done. Nah, chill.
That's how I like it.
Yeah, we're at the steakhouse. We gotta wait all day for this dude's steak.
No, bro.
All
You
day,
like it
holding
well
up my.
done?
Huh?
You like chewing that damn shoe leather, John?
I
Like it well done.
I like it.
That's my joint.
I like it.
I like a
Medium.
nice medium rare, bro.
Yeah, there you go.
I like it. I like it too.
I like a little blood on mine. Get up in that.
We gotta wait an extra 10 minutes for John's steak when we go to the restaurant.
It's funny. Bro.
Maybe like an extra 5.
You gotta start telling him, hey, don't worry about his. Bring mine out when it's ready.
Yeah, facts, right? I'll be finishing mine before everyone, so 2 years now. Greenery. Pretty.
Green needs it to be moving.
Maybe.
Oh,
Yeah, same. I need that
Yeah.
move, bro.
TK likes it well done. Oh, TK.
My man TK.
Eating steak well done while your stop's good. Yeah, we need to stop with the food talking, man. We need to stop. I'm not eating for another. Oh man. Oh man, I'm not eating for like another 7 hours, gang. Can we move on here? Let's move on. Let's talk about celeries again
Sharpens,
and carrots and
your
onions.
fasting muscle.
Onions make me want to barf, so let's just keep talking about onions for now.
That makes you want to fast another like month.
Yeah, onions make me want to just starve, bro.
Yeah, if the only food left to eat on the world was onions, I don't know.
I'll starve. That's what I was just gonna say.
Nah, I'd be fasting the rest of my life.
Be fasting forever.
I'd be doing that
Start
photosynthesis.
hallucinating
bro. I'd
into
be out
death.
there with the sun.
Oh man.
Hey, yo, chat, make sure we get some sun today. Nah, I'm messing with you, y'all. I'm gonna get some sun today.
Is he making a weather joke?
I don't know.
What is the weather for me?
Yeah, how's the weather down in PA?
Dude, it's been raining yesterday and today. It's
Yeesh.
raining right now. It's 53 though.
Tough. What is it here? Right now it is 72.
Yeah, longer than you freezing with the rain, bro. Yeah, this is crazy. I never look at the weather map. It's like one big strip of rain coming from Dallas the whole ways up to Montreal.
Damn.
That's crazy, bro.
Hella rain, bro, down there.
Down in Dallas, yeah, I guess. They got... It goes the whole way through Texas, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, PA, New York. It's like going up through like a straight line.
Yeah, damn.
That's the New York Strip.
That New York strip.
Right. Can we get support?
We get support.
We got 8 minutes here.
Might be in.
8 minutes, and in that 8 minutes, I'm going to give y'all a friendly reminder that there are a ton of fake pages going on out there. So we've had some people get scammed over the weekend. Don't let that be one of you, gang. I'm never going to message you guys telling you about this secret trade management that I do, account management. It's just nonsense, right? Don't fall into the tricks, man. Come on. Use your brain, please. God gave it to you for a reason. Please use it.
We're a couple months. It's gonna be 2024, right? Scamming's getting crazy. It's crazy real. So be aware.
I don't want to see
tell your
guys,
grandparents.
Yeah, I don't want to see you
your
guys
parents.
get scammed, man.
Yeah, use your brain. You'll be alright.
Be smart,
Be
man.
smart.
Be smart.
Nice.
Trust me, I'm not holding any secrets back from you guys. There's not some account management that I do that I haven't let you know about. Anything I'm doing, I will actually talk to you here and let you know what I'm doing. So there's literally nothing I could do about those pages. You literally just, if I hit you up, don't send me money. Put it like that. Just don't send anything. Hold the line. Hold on to your breath. Secret account portfolio management, whatever the heck they use. If they actually just tuned into the live streams and learn what we're talking about, they might actually succeed in life.
Excuse me.
Yeah, man, there was like 2 or 3 people that got scammed. I was like, damn.
Yeah, my boy told me, he was like, yo, Nick hit me up. I'm like, bro, it's not Nick.
Bro, my boy was telling me this weekend that someone was hitting me up with my name. And he answered it first because he was like, and then he started talking about something like, I don't know, send me Bitcoin. He's like, this ain't.
You want to hear some wild stuff? They actually friend requested me. Yeah, I got followed by Nick Stewart FX on Friday night. You believe that?
Messed up, bro.
Man.
Yeah.
Some brains. These guys are geniuses, huh?
I like how they follow me and message me in that too.
Hey, Sam, how are you doing? How is your trading going this evening?
Yeah. Sam, would you like account management? You're terrible.
I know I could have texted you about this, but instead I'm going to use a username that's not even mine.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful.
Most people got the wrong idea of freedom.
Some of them are good. Some of them
Full-time
duplicate
scammers.
the profile really well, but yeah, this
Those
actually.
look-
Yeah, we make it a 30-minute celery play, 15-minute onion, 30-minute celery, and 1 hour to continue up on the next candle here. Looks good to me. Win some Bitcoin. NASDAQ gone. To the moon.
Oh.
Let's go home.
Let her
That's a pack and a
fly.
half, bro.
Videos on the scamming of the scammers. It's the best. Yeah, I've seen a few. I love when the guys are smarter than the scammer and they tap into their computer and everything. That's the greatest.
Oh yeah. Have you ever seen the ones where they like do the packages too, and then they like put like fart spray in the machines, and like when they for the people that seal packages and they rip them open and it starts spraying fart spraying out.
Nah, I
It
never
starts-
seen
start-
that. That's
It
hilarious.
starts shooting glitter off in their car, so it's like make a huge mess.
That's
Everything
boss.
stinks.
Yeah,
It's
That's hilarious.
funny. It's mad funny. Glitter bombs, yeah, that's what it is, TK. You seen that?
Tony Montana. Nick, in your mind, what is the hardest thing about trading? I think the hardest thing about trading is understanding how simple it really is. Whoa.
Psychological game, baby. That's hard.
Yeah, just like the pros say, if you kind of crunch this thing down to most simplest forms and only wait for specific setups, like notice how I didn't jump on these positions here and all that stuff, right? Just simplifying the trading. So I'm not jumping in on something I don't know for sure has a probability, right? So just, we have 3 setups here. We keep it very, very simple. And I think that's really when my trading results improved big time, is when I brought that simplicity into the game.
That's deep. You gotta understand that.
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
there
check about
comes
that.
there comes a whole repertoire with that, right? Like being patient, and now being disciplined for that, and not revenge trading and over trading. But I think all that comes from just thinking trading's actually really complicated. So you gotta try and get in, try and get out, and get in and out, and all this stuff. Meanwhile, if you just wait for what you have seen in the past develop throughout the candles, I think that's gonna be your best bet. All right, 1 hour support or what? Or 15 support or what?
Give it to us, Goldie.
Oh,
What up, Cheryl?
Yeah, patience is
keyboard
gonna be a big
autos.
one. Patience.
Patience, no rush. Watch the candles play out. We're not in a rush to make money. We're in a rush to be the best traders we can become.
I
We're
guess
not
I'm gonna
Russian. We're
learn
American.
the trade. Oh yeah, man. The technicals is easy. That's only 20% of trading, right? The other 80% is psychological. Gotta develop those skills.
Let's take a look at GJ here too. Oh, GJ's not bad.
They lock it in.
So, all right, 3 seconds here. So the 1 hour candle is gonna close. Let's see if we can make a bottom wick and start to move up here. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have buy stops here. Buy stops on pound yen. I'm sorry, buy stops on gold here. 1 hour close bullish. 15-minute gave us support. We should go ahead and fill that wick. Stops are going to be kept below the previous candle lows. And yeah, we're going to trust the fact that the 4 hour is ready to go here now after establishing that bottom wick. All right, there we go. So it looks like I've been activated here. Let me set up partial TP. Hold on. Right up here. All right. Lovely. So it looks like we've been activated here. So got into this buy off of the 15-minute support. Also the 1 hour closing bullish at support as well. Stops are going to be kept below the previous 15-minute candle here, which is also the structure. Gonna look to close partials right around 2002 here. So right around 2002, I'm going to look to close partials, and then I'm going to hold this trade probably until like 2007 here. So that's where my runner is headed to. If we can get a nice closure here, that would be a nice push up here. That'd be awesome. Yeah. Monday, I may close partial. Yeah, I'm going to close partials here, gang. 17 pips, closing 80%. Let me delete this on this lovely Monday. And next target is going to be up here at 2004. I'm going to move stops to current candle lows right here. So if we do continue moving, that'd be awesome. Yeah, you had a nice 5-minute celery. I'm gonna move stops to BE here too, gang. So stops are going to break even. Risk-free trade, close partials. Let's see if we can get the rest to move up here. Should be pretty good. If we could survive BE, we should be good to continue moving up. But yeah, close partials there at about 16 pips there. So W, good work. See, we waited all session long for a 2-minute trade.
10 seconds. We go to profit.
Yep.
Good trade, sir. 10 second.
Oh,
we make money.
B about to get tapped here. Oh. Okay, break even got tapped. So, yeah, got about 16 pips out of that move, and that was it. Pass phase 2. Let's go, George. George VDM. So, yeah, if we're coming down now, you may I don't think we're going to break the low. If we do, then we may start moving down here. But, yeah, that was the 1-hour push I was looking for. And, yeah, if we continue up now, great. My runner got stopped at BE, so that's going to be it. Yeah. And now this may be a pack runner to move down here. So I'm actually glad we went BE there. Didn't really want to see that low break anyway, so. Done. Quickie.
So I'm still holding my stops.
Okay. Previous
That
candle.
was pretty quick, honestly. Like wasn't even like ready for that.
Yeah, man. Quick move.
Got previous candle.
Previous candle.
I'm out.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I took that one right off the rip.
Nice.
Just because previous 15 stops was what I was
Yeah,
gonna use,
that was clean.
regardless.
Yeah, you could have taken that one off the rip there. Would have probably could have got 27 out of that instead of like 16.
I just closed at 20.
Nice. Yeah, John, you may get a nice juicer here.
Yeah, no, I did see 20 pips, and if this 4-hour, I'm expecting that to go to 2005 or 2006 at least, maybe.
Yeah. Should
I
be
just
a
want
nice
I just want till 2002.
Might have just pulled back because that candle ripped up so heavy off the beginning.
Yep.
Keep pushing it.
Yeah, I mean, now that we have the 4-hour wick, I think it's pretty clean to continue up. But like Raja always says, Monday and Tuesday, I really do like to secure some profits. So secure some profits there and 16 pips and then whatever.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. But I don't think it's a
we do
bad
that
idea,
1
man.
hour wick still. We still
Yeah.
got that 1 hour wick.
Yep. Look at GJ. GJ should be driving. Yeah, there you go. GJ driving down now. Yep. So now we're starting to move down here on the daily. So see the daily flipping bearish here now. Sheesh.
Look at
Wow.
the weekly.
There you go, Johnny boy. Who else is
Yeah, I
holding?
smell the
I
juice
know
here.
some of you guys are definitely still holding. Yeah, you guys don't always have to close where I close and all that stuff. But I can see this 4-hour getting ready to run here.
You guys ready for the juicer?
GJ's gone, yeah.
Yeah, once she re-breaks the tie.
Waiting for it.
You're holding,
Whatever you
Taylor?
wanna
Awesome.
do, Goldie. Whatever you want to do, Goldie.
Nice. Hold it. Holding.
Hey, a lot of y'all holding. I'm holding with y'all.
Johnny boy letting it hang.
5 minute celery worked out really good. Oh yeah, you break this high on the 5, you're gone. Just like the other day. Can we get it to break? Yeah, let's see. Let's watch the 5 minute here. A rare 5 minute.
Oh yeah.
Remember that saying?
Yeah, bro. When it broke, it went crazy. I think that was when I was quaking.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with my decision here.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Man, that thing juiced up quick. 16 pips in like seconds.
Right. That's why I like to whenever you see a fast move like that, it usually pulls back. Like
Yeah,
it
pulls
so
back.
That's why exactly. Yeah.
It was too late for me, honestly. I wasn't like.
Yeah. If you weren't ready for it, I mean, it's still valid. Like you're still.
If I would have closed, like where you guys would have closed, it dropped so quick. I would have got like instead of 18, I would have got like 13.
Yeah.
And I was like, nah.
Yeah, the off the rip here wasn't bad. He would have had 28 pip stops. That would have been a 27 pip. Would you get like 27, Sam? Maybe 30? Somewhere in there, depending on where you closed.
I got it in 1998.67, and then I closed at 1999.88.
Nice, nice.
Oh wait. Yeah, on my first low position, and then I closed the other one at 2000.87.
Awesome. Yeah, lovely. Yeah, I wanted to enter on the break. So this candle got going almost right away. So I was like, all right, we'll use the 15 break of the highs here.
Yeah, it made a nice bottom wick too. So
yeah,
if you wanted to use the current, but then like there's always that chance that you get stopped out and then it goes in your favor.
Yeah. Is there a Telegram channel where he gives his trades? No, there's a Discord channel. So you guys can, if you guys want the signals, we provide the signals there. If you drop down the YouTube channel, you'll see the links there for it. Yeah, this is our signals channel here. So everything is ran by a bot hooked up to my MT5 here. So you'll get exact order, all that good stuff. And yeah. When I took partials, you'll see that. Modified stops, and then closed. So yeah, it all comes in basically instantly.
Bot life.
A lot of you guys are asking about doing a discount for the signals for Halloween. I don't think we're gonna do a discount. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that. Cause we did 2 months free for a hot minute, right? We did buy whichever package and then just 2 months free. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna be doing discounts for a little bit.
Halloween too, bro.
Thanks.
Black
Not
Friday.
even Christmas or
Black Friday.
What is hot? Some people don't even celebrate Halloween.
That's what I was gonna say. Some countries are probably like, hello, what?
Yeah, seriously.
I think the 2 months, like buy one get 2 months or a month free, is way better than a discount.
Do I give signals for all sessions? Oh, look at this. Another 5 celery here. So yeah, you break this high, this thing should go.
That's all we're waiting on. That high.
Yeah, man. Holla what?
I need this.
Give Johnny boy his money.
We need this 15 to close bullish too.
Give John that money. Tell him, John. Give me money.
Hey, effortlessly.
What'd you say? Effortlessly?
That money comes to me effortlessly.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That brother's starving.
All right, Gold, do you want to break the high? Whatever you want to do, Gold.
Listen to John.
Tell him to bring me my money.
Tell him to bring me my money.
Tell him to bring me my money.
Give me a bleed or give John a juice. Or I asked for it and it
I think if you break the high, it's good, but
No matter what Gold wants to do here, I'm coming back for it. Coming back.
regardless what's going to happen, you guys are following your plan, and that's really all that matters. Whether you secured profits, whether you are still holding, whether you got BE, you followed your plan today, so that makes you a winner, right? Regardless of what the result is on the trade, what you did with following your plan to the T, that's what's going to help you succeed long term here in this game. Okay.
I have zero right now in this trade because I know I took the W when I entered it. When I executed this trade, the W is already taken. So the outcome will not put a result on my state of mind, you know, like the outcome will not decide whether I'm happy or not.
Whether you're a loser or not.
Or a winner.
You ready, John?
Still chilling. You should, what are you, like 12 pips, 13 in profit?
Yes, I'm at 10 right now. Yeah. We break those highs, man.
If it doesn't break the high, but it still closes bullish too,
Yeah. Johnny boy got diamond hands here today.
You see that 15 close bullish.
Almost got enough to buy some of your Thank you so much. Without you, I would have never been able to pass phase 2. Yo, George. Hey, chat. W's for George VDM. We know George. George has been here. He's been showing up day in and day out. And he's getting the results now, right? He's finally starting to see the fruit of what his consistency has been building up for him, right? So amazing job. And maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, it didn't even look as bright as it does now. But when you stay consistent, when you follow the plan, you just operate off of probability, things will work out in your way in the long run, gang. So congrats, George. Big W, man. I think you passed phase 1 last week and now phase 2 this week. So big W for George. VDM in the building. Let's go.
W, George. Let's go. What I like to hear. I love it.
Go, George.
If any of you guys, if anyone else has passed their challenges or anything like that, gotten payouts, let us know. We always want to see where the impact goes. We never know unless you guys tell us, right? So, yeah, W for George. Let's get it. And W for you all who took that position there today.
Oh.
Yeah, better to clean the chart. You're correct, my friend.
W's.
Sorry. Yeah, that's it. Get that cheddar. Yeah, very happy for you, bro.
Yeah, well deserved.
Phase 1 and phase 2. Yeah, I think George passed phase
working.
1, like what, last week? He posted that in Discord.
Yeah, I think so.
Way to earn it, brother. It's a good feeling.
Great.
Now, don't do anything different that you've been doing.
Yes.
Change anything. Don't change anything.
Don't switch it up.
Nope. Definitely not. Keep doing your thing. You gonna double entry, John, when it breaks? Nah, probably not. You could definitely get a re-entry here, but
close bullish. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. 5 minute needs to break those highs here for this thing to pump up. So you may get a bottom wick now and fire away. Thank you all. Yeah, George. Good stuff, bro.
Good stuff, George. Building that momentum.
I want to know of a good funding company to trade with. Nick funded. Yeah, so I was funded with my Forex funds, and to be honest, they were the best in the game as far as we understood, right? So, but our accounts got shut down with them, and yeah, they basically disappeared as a company up until as of right now. So, you know, everything's going to be a bit of a gamble. Everything's going to be a bit of a risk, right? So right now I'm using the funded trader. So we'll see how everything works out with them. I haven't gotten no payouts or nothing like that yet with them. My Forex funds was awesome, right? They'll pay out on time. Everything worked really well. Some slippage was a little bit, you know, more towards the end than anything. But the funded trader is my pick a choice currently, so we'll see how everything works out with them, and I can't really give you a good review of them without getting paid out and stuff. So once I get payouts and everything with them, I'll have more information for you on them. I've been blowing up accounts now, starting to see some green trades. Awesome. Beautiful, Reagan. Yeah, here goes the 15 here, gang. 5 highs are going to break. This candle, this 5 minute, may be a juicer. Start breaking through these highs here. This thing may explode. But man, if we keep respecting the highs, then I don't know, it may range a bit.
Yeah.
So we gotta break
those highs.
Yeah.
Got to.
You break these areas, 2007 should be on the up and up.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, let's break these highs.
2007. What's something that comes to your mind from that year? 2007.
2007. Ooh. some rocky grounds here in the in the United States. Oh, come on, break the highs for these boys and girls.
Goldie.
Yeah. Nick, I came here with 2% drawdown. I'm up 3% now. Oh, let's go, Sergio.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna moving my stops to the new previous 15.
Good. That's basically a little bit above break even, right?
Yep. So now I lose more. If it does in my stops, I lost more than I planned to originally.
All right. So what you're saying here is that you move your stops. Original stops are here, and now they're here.
Yep.
All right. Good.
Hey, do it again. Let me see. Oh, yep. Exactly that. Yep.
All right. Good.
I thought you were about to draw way lower because this dude said, I plan to lose more than I did originally. Yeah.
So guys,
I'm if I do lose, I'll lose less than I planned to originally. Sorry about that.
This is funny. Then I seen Nick draw way down there.
my original stops are here, guys, and now I'm gonna move them down here. That's what some of you guys do.
That's what I thought you were gonna do.
That's what I used to do in the beginning. Who else has done that? I've done it. Lower and lower. And maybe it'll respect this low. Oh, maybe. All right. Maybe. You know what? Maybe it'll respect this one. All right. You know what? Maybe it'll. Account blown. Oh, damn.
Funny.
Wait, you can lose all the money in this account too? I thought you could only make money.
Yo, where's the juices at? Come on.
I gotta make a call.
Money have you made on funded accounts? 6 figs over the last couple of years. Yeah, green trades. Yeah, green trades, baby. We need green trades. Oh, here we go. Can we do it? Yeah, it looks like we're creating a support here on the 5 minute.
Green trades, NZD, USD.
Yeah, 5 minute support being formed.
Yeah, let's see. Give Johnny Boy a rocket ship.
Yeah.
Go up, break the highs. Bink. Keep flying. Bink.
Yeah, I was pretty shocked with my Forex funds. A little bit. Oh, there we go. Nice. 1 hour about to fill this wick here.
All right, for breaking those highs, should drop.
GJ gone, bro? Yeah, GJ's gone. It's a goner. Later. Yeah, gold's gonna juice up here. 30-minute celery play, 15-minute nice closure, 1 hour looking good to fill the wick, and 4 hour looks clean. Looks clean to pump up. Way to hold there, Johnny boy.
Johnny Boy, let him hang.
All right,
boy.
Them diamond hands. You better take those partials now, boy. You're out?
Yeah, I'm fully out now.
Oh, you closed full?
Hey.
Beautiful.
How many did you get then? How many moves?
Got 22.
Ooh, look at that. Sniper exit.
Sniper exit.
Ooh, that looks pretty on the MT5. I'm not gonna cap.
Mine looks weak now on MT5. You made me look like a weakling.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, always good to
On
get
to
a
the next.
W on Mondays. Let's go ahead and mark that up here, chat. So October, all right, cool. So that was at 10 a.m., I believe. Yeah, 10 a.m. That was, Joe Stewart, W for the broski's birthday. All right,
Oh,
Joe. Birthday
Stu.
dub. And Joe
Happy birthday.
sniped it, bro. Yo, Joe took an advanced pack runner entry, I seen.
Oh damn.
Yo,
Okay, Joe.
My boy sniped that bottom wick, son.
What
Okay,
the,
Joe.
like that 15 camo?
Yeah, Joe took a buy right. Hold on. Where'd you take that buy, Joe? Right here? I forget. Let me see.
He got the advanced packy. Oh.
Oh.
He seen 36 pips.
Oh.
He took
A
a buy
man.
right here. Buy. Right there, it looks like. Oh, I see what Joe did. Joe
When
took
he
a pack
broke the
runner
30
entry
left.
here on this
Yeah.
candle.
What was the stops?
He probably had stops. I don't know. Where were your stops at, Joseph? He's like, what stops? It's my birthday,
Wait, he
bro.
took
We
it
don't
off.
do stops on my birthday.
He's like, bro, stops. I don't give a
Closed 90% at 30 pips.
Oh.
Nice job, Landon. Good stuff.
Oh, baby. 30 pips.
James Woods. What up, James Woods?
So wait, his entry was the which candle?
His entry was your exit, bro. Get out of here.
No, his entry was our stops.
Joe took an entry somewhere down here. He said he's seen 35 pips. Joe, why don't you let everyone know what your entry was, pal?
Where's the signal, bro?
Where's the signal?
I need that pack runner signal.
Yeah. So look, we had opportunities here today, right? We had options that easily could have swayed us away from our actual plan here today, right? Which is the most important thing. So we could have took these buys, right? But we never closed above, and we also never had this bottom wick, so that would have been against our plan. So we held off there. We also then had a closure above, but no bottom wick here, right? So you guys didn't see me, getting all antsy-pantsy, right? I just let this thing go. It is what it is. Like, you can't do anything if the plan doesn't play out. So let that candle go, right? And then we closed up top here. We formed a resistance. We did not take this sell, right? The sell wasn't in our plan. We waited for support to be formed, which was our plan, and then we entered on the break of the highs. And then we caught our little move, and then that's it. And we go home, and that's all we do. We take our ball now, we go home, and we come back and play again the next time. Right? Could have jumped the gun 3 or 4 times here today, but you won't see me do that, gang.
Less is more.
Just wait for the easy price action. It's simple. Wait for remember, the hardest part about trading is understanding it's simple. Right? So if something doesn't fit the plan, you let it go. Another thing, right? You look at something, go, oh, lock it in, chat. Lock it in. We may have a closure. Nope. Exit out. All right. Oh, lock it in, chat. We got a closure. Let us get this bottom wick, and we're in there. Nope. Doesn't happen. Exit out. Oh, we got a resistance. We're going to wait for that. Oh, support formed. All right. Lock it in, chat. If we break this high, we're in there. All right. Boom. We're in. Partials, and we're out. Very simple.
Yeah.
Now we go about our
Facts.
And now we wait for the next best setup that we could find. And
Yeah, and
good
you
job
say-
at closing that, bro.
Yeah, we should.
yeah, good job
Yes.
all of them as well.
We should.
Yeah, man. You didn't see us drooling all over the candle, right? Like some of you guys do. Right? Chasing the volume. Just sat tight.
Like I said, I had zero emotion because I knew logically I took the real W when I executed that trade. Over time, me executing that trade, I'm going to be profitable.
Hmm.
So there is no emotion tied to that trade.
Over time, you will be.
You talk about simplifying things, Nick. Like people will overthink after taking losses, and that will lead to them thinking, like overthinking, and causing them to not be able to simplify the system, right? Like the wise words of Mark Douglas, not many traders can continue on after taking, they can't continue on with their system after taking 3 losses in a row, right?
Yep.
And
So true.
And that's just important because people will take 3 losses in a row with their system and just give up on their system, right? Instead of running the whole system over time, over a period of time, like a year or 6 months, to get the results they want, right?
Yeah, it's true, man. So true.
And I think it's
Yeah.
even crazier. You could have like a whole solid 1, 2, 3 months, then just take those 3 losses, and like some people still start quaking. You're like, well, what's going on?
Yo, we went on a run for like 6 months, and then we took 3 losses in a row. Quakers.
Exactly.
Yeah. So
It's
look,
funny that it's 3 though, because that's like yeah.
yeah, 3. Yeah, because the majority of the year up until like maybe July, when we took a loss, everyone was happy because they were like, "Oh, finally we got that one out of the way, and now we
Yeah,
can go
we
like
literally say
another
rent was due.
10." Yeah. But then once they got hit with a little, you know, real quick, 3 in a row, boom, 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 they were donezo. It's like Mike Tyson just came in and just
Real.
blasted them.
Facts.
But real
Talk.
quick, look, this was the range that we were trying to trade, right? So that was the clean range in which we wanted. So we didn't get our opportunity on the first leg up. It came down, you know, now we got what we wanted to see, a big push up here due to the 4 hour, but we got part of that clean range that we wanted. And now you notice how we're just rejecting this zone here. So price is struggling a bit within this area. And, you know, there's no coincidence, right? You've got a lot of resistance right here. A new, you know, the top of the range is sitting right here as well. So no surprise while we're kind of stuttering here.
Hey, and you guys want to simplify things? Take the info you have of your system and run it up. Run up your system day in, day out. No thinking is tied to that, right? You want to trade like a robot, meaning you don't want to think. You just want to trade your system. That's it. Right? Trade like a robot.
Damn, look at this, man. GJ nuts. That's insane. Well, there goes the daily. All right, there goes the daily now. So daily's driving down, rebroke the lows there. 4 hour just pushed all the way down. 1 hour candle just a bleeder, man.
Bro.
Just a bleeder.
Dude, was there news upon you?
I don't know. I think it's just like daily candle finally got it. Weekly candle finally made its top wick,
Yeah.
I guess.
15. This was basically a trade taken off the 15-minute time frame here today. Break of previous high, 15-minute time frame. All right.
And coming alive.
Lovely. Yeah, the month is shaping up to be pretty decent. Yeah, I look forward to starting a new run here next month. Just JPY things, yeah. Oh, nice. Dopa was with John on that one. Good stuff.
Hey, let's go. Good stuff, Dopa.
Let's just mark that up here on. We're looking at that 9 to 5 month right now. I don't think we have had one month yet where we took 5
9
losses.
to 5 months.
Oh shit, 105, 103. There we go. Yeah, 103rd. Wait, no, 102, right? What am I doing here? Yeah, 102. Alright, cool.
Yeah, W. Good starts of the week.
Yep,
And
good
we
start
got
to
some
the
more
week.
volume with the rest of the week as well. Wednesday, FOMC,
Yeah,
big volume.
we have a big week ahead of us. Well, we're also overlapping, right? So we're moving from October into transitioning into November here. So we've got an overlap week here with the month as well. But we're gonna have a lot of volume starting to dump in here today. So or tomorrow, and just all throughout the week here. So NFP is on Friday. Unemployment claims obviously Thursday, along with a lot of news on the pound here. So that should get interesting as well. Wednesday we've got JOLTS job openings plus ISM with PMI, and then tomorrow we got, what is this, Sam? The HPI stuff here.
House price index maybe.
Oh,
Click
okay.
on it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's the bottom
Okay, cool.
of that little explanation.
right here.
House price index.
Gotcha. Yeah, so we have a lot of news coming in. Today was our only no news day, but it should be a very eventful week here. So, yeah, good start to the week, though. Well, a lot of patience today, right? A lot of patience, a lot of discipline was displayed today. Some of you guys were more patient and disciplined today than maybe you've been up until this far, and that's a good start to the week for you guys. Really just like basically honing in on those little nuances of the game, right? And just waiting and sitting tight and not jumping all over volume and just waiting, right? You have to wait for the candle to close. You boys trade NFP? Yeah, we'll be here. We're here every day. No matter what news is going on, we're here. I doubt we'll be trading the actual news release, but we'll definitely be looking for positions before or maybe even after news here on Friday. But I think that's going to do it here. I'm going to get a head start to the day here. I think that'll be it. I don't think I'm going to take any other positions. Doesn't look like anything's really loading up at all. GJ did its move. Gold did its little push up, and now it's just trying to find its footing here. So I think that'll be the day here for the stream. Yeah, we'll save our bullets for tomorrow. Maybe we'll go a little bit later tomorrow or something, but I think we'll call it here, gang. Good W. Good job.
Yeah, great start to the week.
Yeah, good start to the week. W's flooded in today, right? I told you let's get the W vibes going in. So let's get the W's on the way out. Let's flood the chat, and let's keep this momentum going out throughout the remainder of the week here. So y'all ready? We got to build momentum early here, gang. So W's on the way out here. Appreciate you guys as always. Sam, Johnny Boy.
Yes, sir.
Always
Thank you
a
for
pleasure.
having me.
Sam.
Chat, everyone have a great rest of your day. Don't mess
Yes,
your day
sir.
up. Just get off the charts. You took a nice W today.
Yeah, took a nice dub on Monday, and now we head into Tuesday. Johnny Boy, way to hold strong here today, my man.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
You needed that because, you missed a couple big ones on the 24-hour stream, so you needed a little extra
Yo.
some there today, you know?
Yo, facts. My
gotta
sleep stops
catch
were
up.
activated.
All right,
I'll
boys.
talk to you guys later. Take
All
it
right,
easy.
peace, boys.
All right, boys.
Peace, chat. Have a
Chat,
good day.
hope you guys have a great day here. Yeah, get off the charts. If you don't see anything, no point in really, sitting here all day long. So, gonna begin my day, but I hope y'all have a blessed one. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Some of you guys have a great rest of your evening, and we'll catch you tomorrow on the live stream. Love y'all. Peace. Later, gang.